That's the early part of the thing. I go and exercise some real authentic music from them time till now. I Welton Irie for the first time around. So big up all one of the earlys who they are. A next singer, well, Leroy Sibbles play a bass line for all of him tune them for him post album, A Burning Spear. I give the man him flowers while them alive. Leroy Sibbles for bass line for him tune them. Dancehall Robert of Thursday. You have some man we call them Frightened Friday. As they make a little money, them turn fool. All who make money on the turn idiot, trade the one here. Keep on skanking on the lawn. You know there's something to go. A massive. Tune again.
Yeah, that one here. Special request for all dance fans. Do it, y'all. Murder.
Sometimes you say something you never call no name and somebody pick it up. When you look on them and tell them, say,
me told me gonna do me no call up phone.
when my partner in Peel Lone Ranger there.
Yeah, that one here. Special request for all
My
dance.
partner in Peel Lone Ranger. Me and them man start on the business same time. Ranger, what go on?
Well, watch a man. Sit down, pick on.
We just want to play some tune. You see me as a massive. And while me I entertain, me I inform, me I educate. So here we go on. The next tune here, you have a tune named Kochi. One of the biggest rhythm ever make. But it's originally True the One. Levi Sibbles a play bass on it again. So I'm going to go know where Kochi come from. Oh, that's True the One. Massive, the first ganja tune never hear.
Sounds called Jamaican weed, the better breed.
You know this a veteran, Dillinger.
Can weed gotta take the lead, you know, so take.
Dillinger, where you want to go?
So take me to Jamaica where the Cali come from. Sounds called Jamaica.
All Painland crew, big up. Oakland,
And also
Waltham, Chisholm.
Jamaica.
All who are bound the good ganja right now. Dillinger, Johnny Osborne. Call. We are taking back to basic. That's the early part of the thing. Johnny Osborne, I want you to show off. Johnny Osborne, you're full of lyrics. I want you to show off and give me a next tune for every day.
United we stand.
The man boasts this man. Man full of lyrics is the man. Johnny Osborne, what go on again? Danny English. Pick up yourself today.
Keep on coming on the dance.
Lone Ranger. The man is no stranger. When you see the man, you see the danger.
Do it, y'all.
Ranger, what you tell him to do?
I will split and play the man.
All who outside.
Can we say keep on coming and shit out? Come
Out of New York City, you think me and Studio One God? Out of New York City, little more downbeat, and them on the run Studio One. But people, you have a foundation DJ. Well, you know, some in 2 years them a play. Them man, when them a DJ, them start from 7 o'clock and all 6 o'clock next morning, them still a DJ. Brigadier Jerry, what go on? All who used to go a Jalop. Brigade.
Yes, every morning, mommy, bread, treat still.
Me have to make you know where you used to go on, because I found you never born, you see me?
Yes, every morning, mommy, bread, treat still.
Me and the man a pass mic hand to hand.
Yes, every morning, mommy, bread, treat still.
Brigadier.
Every morning, mommy, bread, treat still.
Stop it. Now, me hear enough little man, them just discover that tune nowadays. Me I play that tune from 1979 pan dub plate and me a DJ Virgo. Enough of them just discover it, but them play the Channel 1 version. You hear the Studio One.
Let me see a light a burning.
All who believe in love and unity. Turn it up, what go on?
Say keep your love light shining. Light shining.
And skank in a party.
Light a burning.
46 years now the business, so I'm a little boy, I do this.
Let me see a light a burning.
So right now, massive, we're not going to hear some tune running here in a while. Trust me.
Say keep your love light shining.
Massive, I'm going to take a little trip down on Greenwich Farm. Can you see that singer here? The man them say him sharper than a razor. Every time you see him, always nine blazer.
Welton Irie will never let them go. Welton Irie.
All these to go and stir Gavin them sound, the racing bally, Gemini, Black Scorpio, Jalop, on the nose, so you used to hear them tune, don't it?
I will never let it go. About
It's so spirit praiser.
I will never let go.
Where your pardon P there? When you hear about a singer named Sammy Dread, we just relive some history. Some musical history and a mystery. And Sammy Dread, if them don't know that one, they must know that one, yeah. If you don't know that one, they must know that one, yeah. To all the earth around right now. To all the place around. When you look out the road, where you see a go on, where you see a go on. In a party like this, I may play them tune, you know, so I can't live out Sugar Minott, don't it? All who feel the pressure right now. When I want to name Sugar, you talk about dancehall singer. You talk about man who do it long time.
Them just a rush me.
It's a race, but a different sort of race.
Them just a rush me.
Yeah, look at early girlish tune.
Them just a rush me.
No, people, listen to the topics them when I play. Listen to the nowadays tune. When them DJ about badness, gun, girl, money. Them singing have been doing it. I just some recycle thing and come out now. Remember me tell you that. Man, I sing about girlish and ganja, all kind of something long time. One thing me no like. When you take in them little so-called music journalists here, on the various TV channel, them talk about dancehall this and dancehall that. One of the things say dancehall are a new invention to own a chat. Yo, Sugar Minott, what style you used to give them in? What you used to give them? Them act as if dancehall are new something. Number one, there's no genre named dancehall. Dancehall was a place you went to, and you hear all kind of music, sound string up in there. It was a hall where you went to dance. You dance soca, calypso, soul, disco, reggae, rockers, rubber dub, and the man come about dancehall genre. It's a land where the sound string up in there, and you go dance. Where the herbalist in there? Welton Irie, where you play a break bigger than Jerry? You play Lone Ranger, you don't play nothing with you. And the people in here where you use to fire lyrics, no man?
Private, Welton Irie.
You used to ever sing on him General Blow. Every sound have to have the General Blow, yeah. When it come to clash, what you tell them?
Anything that you can do, I am the toughest.
Tristan Palmer, Wagwan.
I don't wanna fussing on the fighting down.
Them you tell me classmate. St. Peter Cleaver Primary Pan Walton Park Road. We sit on the same class. Borough Banton, where you up to say now?
The ribby bang come ribby bang king.
Pull up tune.
Now you are loving nothing.
The sound of Boss Borough Banton, Gemini sound.
Never.
Alongside me and Johnny Ringo.
Across the river.
Tristan Palmer, you Mado.
And again.
Someone on here. Stop it. Anthony Johnson. If somebody's here for the first time and them don't realize what we are playing now, what you that tell them say?
Strictly reggae music, you cannot refuse it.
Anthony Johnson. Watch you now.
Entertainment
Say that hour.
is a form of
But from your Rasta.
Once I was a reckless gambler.
Massive. And you know, so we have featured some artists who used to dominate the dancehall space back in the days. See me? And this is one such artist.
Can't stop naughty dread again.
Linval Johnson. It's just a good little history of dancehall. Listen me as a people. Listen and learn. And you know me can't play one burnt and leave it. Oh. Who remember this? Who remember this? And them tune a last burnt and leave it to the world. How that does Chicky, the one and only Major Mark Quill. Look up yourself, my youth. We can't play Lone Ranger first number one tune.
Around midnight I no come.
Good friend, the Lone Ranger. Just don't remind yourself, remember each and every Monday. Right here is Mature Mondays. And you know that thing they turn up loud like the cloud. You see me, I say? Turn the screw and they don't beat massive. You know, so I'm going to come cloud. So, all right, so the boss, man. no man no play Studio One special. Like Screw, Downbeat Massive check-in. And you know them a come juggle some tune for the eye them. You see me? Now when you talk about dancehall veteran, dancehall artist. We can play the tune, yeah?
My love is warmer than a chocolate fudge.
I know some couldn't in a place named Dancehall Thursday. And see me play foundation tune. And leave out this artist.
Do you remember the days in school?
Late great Nitty.
See, Froggy.
And the biggest and baddest Nitty Gritty. The one that the world know him for. His name. Nitty. Make them know. His name. We know no time to chop up nobody girl picnic. I hang with self. I kill no woman.
Me as a girl.
She just pop the little scandal bag with the Dulcimina grip. You know, the two little piece of slip and the one brassiere and the butter crepe and cut. And you know, so I couldn't play an integrity and I play the next suit, the kind of pattern himself, a slight the kind of way and bust down.
Whoa. Whoa. Hey. When the road is all up yonder. Whoa.
Don't be so no go and line up. You don't say on the hour. But right you now.
Hey.
Tenor. One.
When the road is all up yonder. Life is one big road.
It have lots of signs. Easy tenor, sir. Now you know, so we just stay and go and juggle some tune. And the hour, don't beat, I go just come slap some tune. And you know when the man there touch it. And a normal something is not no easy something. Remember me tell you that massive. So just go and remember support the bar. And you know say you have to obey your thirst. Because them tune are much nicer when you have beat something. You see me I say? And I just saw the thing set to the massive. So right about now, me I go touch a tune. One of my favorite tune panda rhythm here. You see me I say? Because it's all about that tune here. The rhythm here. One of the biggest rhythm out of dancehall. And some man jump on it in the 80s and 90s and get some big hit. But then we know say that tune here come from in the 70s. With none other than Tabby Diamond, Bonnie Diamond, and George Diamond. The first singer them pick up on the rhythm here. I don't think the rhythm here 80s and 90s rhythm down. Mighty Diamonds, make them know what I go on.
When you own me, girl.
Now stop it. Now I'm going to do something in other place now, because I don't know me a select. Most don't know me a selector. But big up the people them who used to stand up and watch me a carp dancehall. Teach them catch this, because you might not catch it again. At the private Welton Irie, put this in your diary. Why me say so? Professional, I am professional, yes. Professional, I am professional. I am the hottest thing around since Echo General. Me respect Jose Wales, who them call the Colonel. Me respect Charlie Chaplin, who them call the Principal. Say big up Mr. Bailey, who them call the Admiral. Rest in peace, Johnny Ringo with the golden pistol. Around the microphone, you know me well lyrical. I just last week me get 3 gold medal for being the most outstanding MC official. Who me get it from? Not the Governor General, because professional. I am professional. You know me slim. Me not fat. Me brown. Me not black. And when me old, microphone, you could have all blood. Me know how to chat. Well, now me rap it at the bottom, me rap it at the top, me chest on my back, on my belly, I rock. Yes, me slim, me not fat, yes, me brown, me not black, and me pick up the mic. Famous, you know the days. Big up yourself. Stereophonic, Gemini, Virgo, Lisa Limited. Top chop. Professional. I am professional. Yes, professional. I I am professional, I am the hottest thing around since Echo General. Me respect Joseph Wheels, who them call it Colonel. Me respect Charlie Chaplin, who them call it Principal. Say big up Mr. Bailey, who them call it Admiral. Rest in peace, Johnny Ringo with the golden pistol. Cause any boy test him end up in the hospital. It's not no minor injuries, him end up critical. With the nurses and the doctors, them a beard him in the collar. And 2 weeks time, it is the burial. Me pose up drinking Hennessy at the funeral. A little after that, me have the boy girl introduce her to the back seat of me rental. Then chuck up on the body like me they are mineral. Cause professional, I am professional. Yes, me slim, me no fat, me brown, me no black, me old, the mic, me know. Picture, tell them me rap it about me rap it at top of me chest and my back and my belly and rockets. Me see me no fat, it's me bum me no black, me pick up them. Me no picture, man in a pants and woman in a pockets together. The two of them a rap. Me rap ball head that so they lock. The sun come down, the earth get hot. Earth is like a melting pot. You come by yard by Pete and Matan and my door you have been knocked. In the my back, so what's up? It's checking on my back. Girl, respect that and 9 month time Billy get fat. That you get for free. Only famous.
He's the original Welton Irie, the man, our original bad DJ for years. So Peter make sure the panel we are coming, Zane. Can go pick up some guests so we have at the airport, Zane. Yeah, boy, them spread a big room upon Toulouse. He said Toulouse is dead. But when I in the island and Toulouse call me early in the morning at the hotel and I say, me call him early in the morning and I say about 10 man call me and say you're dead in Toulouse. Toulouse say true. I say y'all over social media, you're the man to me. Now go check out the Facebook if me dead. Yeah man, Toulouse is still alive and fresh. See? Yeah.
I last night me see my wedding with it, so they good.
So I know say Toulouse good, see? But one thing we are saying, welcome to Original Dancehall Thursday. And we are going to bless the bar and think, you know, so I make them here run. And the kitchen you have a chicken, fish, curry goat, manish water, kong soup, breadfruit, plantain, everything around at the kitchen. They say, I want you know, say, holy parties at the place, because we have a special guest tonight. And you know, so we have Welton Irie there, we have Shaka Shamba, we have Terry Fabulous, Echo Mine at Lickamore, we have a brethren, we out of England name, Wayne Lyrics, Zane. Yeah man, holy parties, big up Junior Cat at the place. So you know, so a big nice tonight and Lickamore, a special guest artist. You know we sound, we bring down now the original champion sound, original rubber dub sound out of New York. Downbeat, step cross, Mr. Screw.
We love fun on my brethren. Vice a little bit off tonight, you know. Enough respect, foundation sound. I hold the fifth from 1972 in New York. Response enough artists, Welton Irie passed through enough time, many times, Johnny Ringo and them youth there. Major Macrella. Yo. Major Macrella, first time in America, you know, say, I told him to bring you up and down to Shabba ranks. See? So that sound you have history, long history, different sound. One of the baddest foundation sound was standing at the world. Remember me tell you, see? Me pass through, Mikey, one time to pay attention, massive, you like a touch a downbeat. And that's how we all started, you know. See? Yes, sir, the check look like it bounce high level. All right? So massive, that sound different, you know. Much different. Coming from the studio, but from the studio one from them days, and as far as snow, you don't know it go. So, you ready out? Yeah, use the two of them, all right? So, now started out to do what I'm a singer from them time, from 1984, my voice don't play to them. Run that Johnny out for them.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're tuned to the best. Downbeat the ruler with Tony Screw. I don't beat the ruler, I Tony Screw. Oh,
Johnny Asper.
You run, come in at the dance. Pay your musical rate.
Listen to me, Tabacrel.
Come in, me say if you run, come. You run, come in at the dance. Don't beat the ruler, they bout ya. Run, come in at the dance. I Tony Screw him, they bout ya. Brooklyn, massive in the dance. Man from Bronx, them they bout ya. Vernon, Mount Vernon, man them in the dance. The Japanese, them they bout ya. German massive in the dance. Man from England, they bout ya. Jamaican massive in the dance. And all the girls, them they bout ya. Come make we have some fun before zinc pan song come. Cause when the zinc pan come, all of the niceness I go down. So massive you feel run come. Say run come in at the dance. The champion sound him they bout ya. Downbeat the roller in the dance. A Tony Screw with selector. Run come in at the dance. And all the massive they bout ya. Uptown man in a the dance.
Alright, the selector, let's give the island a little touch and go down at the foundation thing as you know that sound now. Original Neptune sing pan rhythm there now. Enough man don't know that. Run it!
Say don't be ready for them. Some boy have fit but them are no problem. Ready for them, say don't be ready for them. Me say don't be too one in Finland.
Yes, Lucia.
Let's make it and come say a thing or two for the golden sound.
Well, a champion sound don't beat now. Easy to listen and all the meditation eye. This is Lucian of the Kabbalah, man.
Hey, the Emperor Haile Selassie, I conquer them, travel to the let it too. I don't beat. Cool ruler. Oh, Lord.
Yes, Luciana.
Down, some boy disrespect. What them do?
That sound are different.
And so I try to play the downbeat, but they got a no tear motive. Oh, what a shame. And so I try to play the downbeat, but they got a no tear motive. Personal gain.
Respect to all them soul man them out there.
Oh, what a shame. And so I try to play the downbeat, but they got a no tear motive. Personal gain.
All right, dear child.
And they turn round bite you. Well, don't be juggling so hard.
Just a pass through.
See, they wonder what that sound is coming to. But it's all right for me to.
Wait, and there is enough respect.
I am that man they are. Best like that way too. So much I to be the don't be but the better.
Take it nice and easy, selector. Take it nice and easy. One more Luciana.
Righteousness.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Whoa, damn beat.
Yes, Lucia.
I love you. But righteousness, I give to you the words of righteousness. Well,
Luciana.
just imagine living in a world where there is no war.
From them time there, Pierre Robert over.
And imagine if every soundboy you see knows what he's living for.
Foundation sound. Yes.
Oh, what a wonderful world it should be.
Yes.
For the downbeat sound in me.
Yes, Lucy.
Yeah. We no evil can abide. Only righteousness increase. Don't be plead for me, please. And we can do it if we only.
Take it on nice. Why I'm not tell you original studio one from the. Take it up, selector. Hey, take it down. Yes. Gregory Isaac. Yes, Gregory. McLean was 7 us I'll get one. Take it. Yeah, man. Ears, you know. We'll get the original tune by the rhythm. Yes. Yes, sir.
But no way you little stumble.
Father Storm.
The king of dancehall. Me that you wanna be the number one. Tell me. If you wanna be the number one.
Respect to all the crew.
And be the champion. And now you can.
Take it, selector. Why am I say by me about start this year? Carry my studio 1996 Glen Washington. Run him!
Downbeat sound play all over. Sound boy turn over. Downbeat kill so many dibby sound. Yes, we dub them out, throw them down to the ground. And when a sound boy try to test downbeat sound, you know they'll get thrown down. Put another dub on the turntable and let the sound boy fry.
Yes, Glenn, huh?
Put another dub on the turntable. Downbeat sound is so strong, a sound boy can't last long. Put another dub on the turntable. Another dibby sound boy die now. Put another dub on the turntable. Sun won't shine on a dibby sound boy house stop. The plate is falling. Another sound boy downbeat will flop. Tony Screw has made a lifetime commitment, and he means every single word. You hear what I say?
Yes.
Downbeat will never ever let you down. Good music will always be around until forevermore, and the massive will be satisfied for sure. Put
Take it down nice and easy, selector. Take it down nice and easy. Take it down nice and easy, I say. Take it down.
Downbeat sound.
Take it down, I say. Don't make a spank, you know, Mikey. You know, I can do it myself. Anyway, enough respect. Listen to what I'm saying proper. Just pay attention, please. Thank you. You know, said people, pass me a pass through. Tomorrow I go up on the Jamrock cruise, you know. So, I pass through. My brethren, the man, them thing there. But the foundation sound, and it's like a little touch. We don't go too deep a foundation too, but hear that style here. Run it.
A downbeat, you know,
yes,
the roller. Yeah. Right there now. Right now.
Yes.
I love the way I am.
Yes.
Do you want
my girl?
I'm stepping it out of the sea. Downbeat step out of the sea. Don't you like it? Hey, don't you like it?
Yes.
I'm a stepping
Yes,
out
Squidly.
of the sea.
Enough respect.
Downbeat step out of the sea.
Yeah, man.
Don't you fight it. Hey, don't you fight it. Down this, try no miss. Any sound I miss, must get it Vic. Do you understand me? Do you understand?
Enough respect to all the people around the world who support that thing, huh? Because over there in New York, we are watching it.
Do you respect that?
Take it up nice and easy, selector. But let's all mix it up nice and easy and not blame it, you know, Anna. Why the artists here? Why the more some less artists that the basis we miss him, but when downbeat play him slow, it's different. Dennis Brown, run him! Yes, Quinley. I'm a friend.
Now, this I don't be time. It's not your time.
Squidly, you know me, when it comes on the rhythm track. Dennis Brown! Lots of the Jamaican people. I don't want to come from.
This I don't be time. It is not your time.
Hey!
This I don't be time.
Yes.
Fulfillment time.
Well, I have every artist on the rhythm here. Yes.
No merciless. Liars and the thieves must confess. When it's the time to make the bed, oh, what a day it was me. But this I don't need time, and this is not your time.
Take it on, selector. We'll get the first tune on the rhythm track, the Viceroy. Every tune about on the rhythm, I may have them. Run it! The Viceroy. Why did I tell you? Viceroy.
Oi! Oi! Downbeat sound. What our original sound? Beat them down.
Viceroy. Are the original?
Last night.
Hey.
In the meantime.
Yes.
We got a fine time.
Viceroy.
We were dancing to Downbeat. That wonderful sound.
Yeah, man.
The nice
The original thing.
that I ever heard. Sound is the night sound. I said downbeat sound, the best sound. I said how much I love that sound. I could not go on. How much
Take
I
it
love
down,
that beat sound.
That's the first song on the rhythm track. I'll get the second track on the rhythm. John Holt, run it. Run it, the youth. You know what I mean? Rubber up thing, no pretty thing. Just run through the youth. We are going.
Yes, Pepper. Remember, downbeat is the ruling sound, the champion sound, the Gargan sound, internationally known. And when it comes to sound business, remember, say, downbeat international run things. I'm on John Holt Sessa.
Yes.
Remember, I'm on Don't Take Back
Jamaica.
Chat.
No,
Come in,
Pastor.
Mr. Selector. Cause I run things on the dance. We no skin up with
He's
no
the squid
sound.
Peter
You hear
Metcalf
that?
Walker.
Downbeat gonna murder you.
Hey.
All night long.
Hey.
You're gonna
Take
beg
it.
for mercy.
Them tune are too bad. You talk about bad rhythm, bad rhythm.
Yes,
Run it.
Pepper. Remember, downbeat is the ruling sound, the champion sound, the Gargan sound, internationally known. And when it comes to sound business, remember, say, downbeat international run things. I'm on John Holt Sessa. And remember, I'm on Don't Take Back Chat. Come here, Mr. Selector. Cause I run things on the dance.
Respect to all my
Skin up
big man
with
friend
no
them.
sound.
Enough
You
respect.
hear that? Downbeat gonna murder you. All night long, you're gonna beg for mercy. All night long.
Take it on, Mr.
But we
Selector.
don't have
You know, so does
no-
I pass through and I have to run my selector. Me bring them in the studio and I pick out them rhythm in a film. Then Washington, run him. Trust me, man. I tell you, run it.
Downbeat the number one sound. Sweet, sweet downbeat.
Yeah, man.
Ooh. Got to be you.
Then Washington.
It's got to be you alone for me downbeat. Ooh. If you try to test downbeat sound, you know your future in music is over.
Yes, Glenn.
Classic pan sound boy get you down. Downbeat is gonna
Right.
run you over. There are so many dubs.
Enough respect.
Downbeat can't even find time to play. Tell a sound boy to lock up. Pack up your sound and go away. The pace is getting hotter.
Take it down,
music pan sound boy to
Respect to my brethren, Freddie McGregor. We are like news, Freddie, and I wishing the big respect and hope you can recover everything, my friend Freddie McGregor. Snow, you know them man there.
Well, Andy, you say you don't beat. You know you're my father, you know. You know me just like America, me and you, you know.
You know it go.
Proud of you, you know. You're still a wallet, you know.
true,
For
man.
88, you know.
A true man, a true, you know what I mean? Freddie McGregor, I'm a brethren. Run that Freddie, run it.
up straight up original rhythm.
Yeah.
Straight out of Sardis table them I wanna come.
Yes,
Watch out man, just dash it fast then.
Freddie!
Downbeat pan them kids again.
Yes, man.
Now we no one and friend. Downbeat will murder sound all night long. Downbeat a wounded sound all night long. I don't care what another selector wanna play. We've got the real rubber duck to make the massive swing and sway. Downbeat a runway sound. Run them all night long. Downbeat will murder your sound. Put that in a trance. And I don't care what any weird selector say now. I and I massive, we got the music to make you stay. Oh Lord. Hey,
Take it nice and easy.
Downbeat,
Now people, me have to tell you now. That sound hardcore. Can play a dub plate all week straight. And it's original. May I tell you something? Me bust a tune for now right now. Original artist and the original rhythm track. Why that tune on the last time it going a clash name thing there? Why I not even call them name, they nearly cry when they mean. Original tune, every man know that tune. But the original group name the Mad Lads. Run it!
original bang, the ranking Joe introduced the number one champion sound. Don't be the ruler man called Goldfinger.
Yes, ranking Joe.
Mad lads. Seeing only can play by tune of school. Number one champion sound. Don't be kill out sound. Seeing dead.
Mad lads. Why I wanna remember the rumbling in New York?
No matter what you play, it's downbeat all the way. 10 to 1.
Yeah, original.
10 to 1. There's no difference in what you play. It's downbeat song all the way. You just can't win when downbeat sound a play. No pardon for you today when downbeat sound a play. 10 to 1. 10 to 1. There's no difference in what they say. Don't be make you run away. I just can't win your loveliness, I guess. No pardon to yourself.
Take it, my selector.
Trying to be.
Why is it true? It's the true, that's a pass through. Take it down, take it down. Take it down, Mikey. Take it down. You know, hear me? Take it down nice and easy. When we talk to the people, man. True, me just a pass through and respect you. We can't get the second for going on the right thing, mixed up and blame it up. But we just hey, Sugar Minott, run that Sugar Minott, run it.
Sugar Minott for years without tears and fears.
Whoa, whoa.
Sugar Minott.
We gonna keep on playing. Ooh.
Sugar.
It's been a long time, soundboy been trying to stop me, but no way, no way.
Sugar!
Nothing that they do and nothing that they play can keep the downbeat down. I hear some sound say that downbeat was born to be a loser.
Hey, Sugar!
But the dub that we choose, we just can't lose. No way, no idiot sound can test my sound. The downbeat sound.
Yes.
For a protected, well selected by the man Tony Screw. And he said that I should never give up. Don't we never give up, no matter what they do. Boo, boo, boo.
Yes.
We never give up. Don't we never give up.
But that's how
no
mix it up.
matter what they play.
Take it down, huh?
Don't be gonna
take it down nice and easy and nice. I tell the people, man. That sound I went on the foundation, so the boss some of the most artists in our foreign, you know. All them youth that pass through downbeat and Ninja Man, Papa San, the whole of them pass through. And your artists have a bus from England, you know. Listen to Bitty McLean here. Run it.
Oh Lord, only played by downbeat.
Peter Metro.
For downbeat sound,
A rubber dub.
I sing this special.
Yes, man.
For you alone, I sing this part.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
This part is unconditional.
Respect.
Unconditional. Good things come to
Hey.
those who wait. When Tony Screwdriver this to play, my life is complete every time I hear you. Ooh.
All right, selector. I'll tell you something, man. I'll tell you, say, this is my friend, too. Major Mackerel. Why, Mackerel?
Yell downbeat. Give thanks. You call me and tell me, say, you're there at Jamaica. And me tell you, say, Carl O'Neill famous. We have to get here rubber dub Thursdays, dancehall Thursdays. And me are one of the DJ where you give visa. The first visa me get a you give me. Shabba Rankin. Just for name a few. Lecturer, Papa San. The whole away. And all away give thanks. So bless yourself. Don't stress yourself. And if your girl a give you bun, pack up and left yourself. Nibby bum.
History Dance 1988. Massive, the good thing when we feel good that every artist, me and them are brethren as a foundation. Me don't want to tell them my age. We can't tell them I'm 71-year-old. I'm not afraid to talk. You understand? Hey, Michael Prophet, run it.
Now, I want them to know, say me are the original Godzilla. I mean Michael Prophet, the original. Now,
Peter Metro, my friend.
Screw, Sammy J, dance about.
Peter Metro, remember Washington.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. Yes.
Don't beat.
Yes.
Your sound is amazing.
Yes.
And the dub you play is so thrilling. Lord, this music really.
Why Squidly? People ball out to me dub them so clean.
The beat you really move me.
Why am I going on the world? People ball out to me CD so clean. Oh, them so clean. Oh, them so clean. The first dub for the artist in our sound business.
Big up Tony's crew.
Alternellis.
All the downbeat posse.
First dub
yours
for
truly
Alternellis.
Alternellis saying, I'm on top. King of the ring. The musical thing I sing a ling.
1986.
Watch me as I pass by.
Alternellis. Make sure you're the vice there.
When downbeat turn and I walk through that door.
Yes, Altana.
It hurt me so now.
Yes, ma'am.
Said it hurt me so.
Yes.
Believe me. When he look at me and he said,
well, I tell
you. It made me cry now.
Respect.
Cause there's no other sound like downbeat.
Yes, ma'am.
So listen to me while I say to you, downbeat sound.
Respect.
Is the greatest sound. Downbeat sound is the greatest sound. The sound. When you look at me and they say goodbye, said he made me cry now. Cause there's no other sound. Yes.
Yes, selector.
When he play rubber dub, turn me on.
I don't want to spoil them on them things because enough respect to the item. 2 more songs to go through. We love the business and we'll never try for supplying it, But what if a sound play Dennis Brown? What if a sound play Dennis Brown? And some fake Dennis Brown? And some say, well, this is the wickedest Dennis Brown ever do pan up. Run it.
Now the good Lord says, I'm good and plenty things for high and I bring to plenty to get on a high in love. Like a Simon from the head, we to the school of fire.
And the baddest Dennis Brown is ever make pan
this
up.
is the original Rasta DJ. The original Brigadier General, alongside one Carl, Dennis Emmanuel Brown, Prince of Reggae, and the Rumble Khan are gonna be the king. All right. Alongside the Roughneck Song Khan.
Hey, massive, listen to Dennis Brown now.
Hear this. Hear that sound. Elbow.
Oh, well, ooh, yeah. Easy breeze, yeah. Downbeat.
Body song.
Tell me, come again.
Hey, Roman Burger, sing that tune now. But you're the original now.
The first time I made eyes with you, you didn't say that.
Yeah, man. Massive, at 24 tune up and rhythm now, and all of them bother. But tonight, we just skip and I go through. See me? Dennis Brown,
Now the good Lord says,
yes, brother.
I'm good and plenty things for high and I bring to plenty to get on a high in love. Like a Simon from the head, we to the school of fireman garments. No, this is the original Rasta DJ. The original Brigadier General, alongside one Carl, Dennis Emmanuel Brown, Prince of Reggae, and the Rumble Khan are gonna be the king. Alongside the Roughneck Song Khan, Downbeat, alongside the original go. Hear that sound. Elbow.
Oh, well, ooh, yeah. Easy breeze, yeah. Yeah, downbeat. Tell me, come again, yeah. The first time I made eyes with you, teased and said I'm untrue. Yeah. And the first time I heard downbeat play, oh, it is away.
Yes.
yeah. So, rock me down beat, rock me down beat. Never let me go astray, rock me down beat.
Yes.
Rock me down beat.
All right, Mr. Selector. Enough respect to the idea. Mackerel, it's an honor. Peter Metre is an honor. The whole crew is an honor. Fair man pass through. Tomorrow I leave for the Jamrock cruise. And I trouble upon that, remember I tell you. Hey, that tune I bust up the whole world from a 45 to dub plate. And me are the youngest sound that have it that way. Because me boss him. Bitty Mac, run it. Come on.
Clap your hands and stamp your feet.
Yes. You see like how Bitty Mackin said, don't beat we love you. Sometimes some sound get jealous, you know. And when them get jealous, you're Bitty Mackin down.
Now we place the sound.
Huh? Yes. Put over the so. Yes, man. The band them said them play one more tune. Squidly request it. Why? You know what's so spot?
One of the Tony Screw. O'Neal famous saying for play 2 more tune and done. Me said to him, said, no, you're going to play 1 more for me. Find a brigadier. See, people, let me tell you something about him. Tony Screw, when none of you know. When the man clash, them not clash with Friars. Them man clash with David Ralligan and some big champion sound in England and in Europe. When them man play, all 150,000 white people, them are entertained. A Tony Screw, this is the #1 sound. Rubber dub sound, this is New York. That sound that come like when Papa Roots are play. They say me and say Harrows and them sound there. A Tony Screw, this is man run New York City. Right you. So Tony Screw, give me the brigadier.
Why? You saw me tell some yard of my barn and grow. One June. Me yard of my barn and grow, me just sleep for me as I'm coming. As right front of Brigadier yard. We're coming like brother. My address is number 4, female is number 5. And me have the most brigadier in the world. And me bring him in a studio one the first time him do a dub plate. I been in front road. But my youth said now read, so me will get an extra. Run a brigadier there.
It's the original general, original brigadier, and the original sound like Downbeat. Rasta DJ for years.
Bring it.
Lordy, 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 Lordy. Don't be you to ragamuffin. Don't be you to ragamuffin. It's the original general, original brigadier, and the original sound like Downbeat.
If you saw me from Brooklyn
for years.
Couple of weeks ago.
Lordy, 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 Lordy.
Yes, sir. Well,
don't be you to ragamuffin. Don't be you to ragamuffin. Don't be you to ragamuffin. But what a ragamuffin sound.
Yes.
Don't be to ragamuffin. Don't be to ragamuffin. Don't be you to ragamuffin. But what a ragamuffin sound. How you mean? Ragamuffin in a Brooklyn, ragamuffin in a Bronx, Connecticut and Yonkers and Mount Vernon. People jump and holler out, say don't be down the down. So they give you plane ticket and you reach Washington, you to ragamuffin. Down bid you to ragamuffin. Down bid you to ragamuffin.
Yes, my friend Jack Scott.
What a ragamuffin sound.
Yes, sir.
Ragamuffin in the east, ragamuffin in the west. Run down in a Haitian chest. Ragamuffin out in the
Well, my friend Jack Scorpio, the man who know the thing from long time. I'm a final tune, cause Metro know. Take it out, take the selection. Right?
Downbeat, witty. Oh, no to me people, loving it every time. Hey, Downbeat, I'm an original friend, you know. But one thing in him, at the body sound. But it's the biggest trophy I'm going to win. Sure. I'm not kill him, man. No matter with it. No, man, don't beat that brethren.
Well, on, you must start it now. You talk about the biggest trophy. You remember Mighty Crown, Bodyguard, Silver Ark, Black Scorpio. Who go with the trophy?
Don't be the ruler, man. Ruler, but talk about Sky Juice, Don't Beat, and Jack Scarper in a Bronx in your town.
I give me gear that, man. Nice and easy. Hey, I give it, all right, people, it's nice. Metro.
No, me and Don't Beat are brethren. That's how we say. We are brethren. Hey, yo. You don't know, you know. A Scarper with name and Don't Beat. I met me there tonight with respect and honor. Them man here, when me there, me and Don't Beat is like family. Don't Beat, brother, married to my wife, sister. So, I don't know that said already.
Peter Metro, if you remember, Alban in New York, Peter Metro, Chakademos and Flyers. Tony Screw, put them together, you know. Remember me tell you, you know. Final tune people, enough history with that sound, you see. The sound has the most history in New York. Kill the most sound and the boss.
No, wait till you have to yell up with it.
Father with you. Are you a father with you? Uptown Monday night. All right, no brethren. So enough respect, Father with you. Father with you, the last time, remember, said, all right, my youth. Hey, me, I'll give me the job of bring a fire in your teeth. Shabba, run it.
The king of the king, you know. Yes, I diss them neither. Tell it to all neither. I diss them, I don't beat them in neither. I way them can't get reader and you know where they look up in them feeder.
Shabba!
And we are the line of the future. Shabba! Originally making notes of boy. People step to this. Walk to this. Talk to this. Don't beat to the boss of this. No, IT, tighty, fleety, flighty, galang, galang, guan.
Shabba!
IT, tighty, fleety, flighty, galang, galang, guan. This better than before them ban. So why you kick up and come and galang and guan. Tell them feel how we and guan.
Yes,
them kill the body, cannot kill the soul. Don't beat control. Don't beat music, live on.
Respect.
Son boy you up and kick up and galang and guan. Tell them feel how we and guan.
Yes,
them kill
Shabba.
the body, cannot kill the soul. Don't beat control. Righteousness lives on. Don't be fret not thyself, and people do as they shall become.
Hey.
Contact knowledge from the 37 Psalms of them gone. And I hurt when the righteous perform. Wicked can't get wet.
Thank you very much, final.
Yes, we got it to them, the dung in
Listen
them
to you.
football charm.
All right.
Ring the alarm, then a
Thank
song
you.
them dead.
Thank you. Who next? Yes, Petro.
Yes, massive respect due to Downbeat. Big up all the people them all over the world who's watching right now. Seeing that was Downbeat from New York. And guess what? Him come to Jamaica because him they are Jamaica now. Shabba they are Jamaica now. The Junior Gang they are Jamaica now. The whole of the Marley family they are now. Seeing? Because you don't know the crews are going on the ship. So big up Shabba Rankin. Just arrived in Jamaica. Saying, no massive, you don't know. Greetings to all the people around the world who is watching. My name is Peter Metro. Greetings to all the people in South America. South America, ¿cómo está? Yo hablo un poquito de español porque yo estaba en Cuba para un año. Entonces, yo hablo español. Ahora, nosotros en Jamaica, nosotros jamaicanos, esta fiesta se llama es Robadub Jueves. Robadub Jueves. Robadub Thursday. Big up all the people who come. Original Robadub Thursday. Original Dancehall Thursday. The Prime Minister sent me a message the other day. And him say, Peter Metro, I love what I see on the internet. I love what I see on the internet. I love what you're not doing. And people, our platform is to educate, motivate, empower, inspire, and uplift all the people around the world who want to hear good music and positive music. Our platform, decartelize and non-alkaline, original music we play. I say don't support the bar. Please don't support the bar or support the kitchen. Let me tell you in the kitchen, lobster around there, curry goat round there, fried chicken round there, breadfruit round there. Hey, O'Neill, any sprat round there? And sprat round there. Seeing and fried chicken round there. You go around our kitchen and go road gun and flour. I want to know belly start hurt. I wonder what I'm watching a man. You don't know the show I got start here now. And we discover say when the show start, you have some man to stand up and support the bar. So we have a change of plan phone. We're going to cut the show and play some tune and make us support the bar. Please, if it's even a water, H2O, obey your thirst. We got the baddest selector from over Stone Love him there, you know. Saying him there, I'm going to have to tell you now who. Saying, bad artist, bad selector, sure, bad entertainer.
Metro Media.
You ready, Oliver? Put things from people now. Yeah, Robert Lee. Yeah.
Original Metro Media. I and I saw Robert Lee said that original no carbon copy boy. Big up the man like Sky Juice, Father Metro, Oliver, you don't know.
Hey!
I made my decision.
All the people in South America. Come West South America. Manos arriba. Manos arriba.
Cause ramping no skin, Jano, we ragamuffin, we clip a sound boy wing.
Hey!
And ting. Metro Media kick them off of the premises, cause we crown king. In the ring. We dey a dance all we know we execute. Put away a sound boy, I'm telling you the truth. Pick them like a fruit. And so we lock them away in a fridge. Trophy them song over Spanish Town Bridge. Say Metro Media, keep for your sound, the Metro Media. Keep for your sound around town. We gonna throw them down.
Yes.
Man like Sky Juice, I select it wisely. Keep it up.
Give me a quench here, panic. Quench here there. Watch your volume. Give me the quench here.
Don't let me out, mama. Metro Media in the area. Don't let me out, mama. Metro Media in the area. I know your secret sound boy, so don't you try come dance. You should remember that Metro Media are the best, and we don't lose no soul clash, or we don't lose contact. It's like the wine. Hey, don't let me out, mama. Metro Media in the area. Don't let me out, mama. Metro Media in the
Alright. Alright. Yo. Why me to listen to the artist say him voice pretty? I know say a sugar kill him. Yo, big him up here, man. Gone but not forgotten. Now, me name Peter Metro. Me a bad artist, and the world know that. Every night I come here, I can give you different lyrics, but I don't come for that. I bring in a youth and me try Bronx, last year, you know, big up Japanese, Canada. Run it, every Mr. Bronx. Lift up. Lift it up. Try Bronx. Big up yourself, my brother. The first, I meet the eye. So here what? Put things from people.
Hold it. Holy Emmanuel, like King Selassie, I look down and still a see I. All of the righteous people, them me say and say, Over here, so make me hear no say, Clean-hearted people over here, so make me hear no say, All right, hear me now. I go tell you something about myself. Let it go Metro. Hear me now? Big up yourself, Scan Kabe. And let me know. Me nah wear no woman clothes. Me nah bore me navel and me nah bore me nose. Me a rasta and me no wear belly skin. Nah bore me tongue and me nah bore no chin. Me sing. Me nah wear no woman clothes. Me nah bore no navel and me nah bore no nose. Rasta and me no wear belly skin. Nah bore me tongue and me nah bore me chin. Me sing. Well out them some. And them pants so tight, enough of them boy a turn girl overnight. Yes, Miguel, you look like Michelle. That's why round some and them say Senator. You be look good if a Nicky that. Tell me a Ricky that. Can't believe say bad man a dress up in a frock. Enough a wear hipsters, enough a wear tongue. Enough of them a twang like Paulette and Pam. But Rasta, now wear no woman clothes. Me nah bore me navel and me nah bore me nose. Rasta, and me no wear belly skin. Nah bore me tongue and me nah bore no chin. I want him to wheel him and him friend fish kill. Where in a lipstick and all false fingernail. For real, you know so me no dress like a meal. Me no wear hipsters, me no put a spike heel. Go tell them diamond socks and clocks. Anytime you see Bobo man a pass. And me pants buckle up and me waist now drop off. Me no exposed body parts. Tell them me now wear no woman clothes. Me I know that.
Metro. Get to use them shoulda rise long time. Powerful, me say them have a strong mind. Yeah. Get to use them shoulda rise long time. But the system now pay me no mind. Me say, get to you shoulda rise long time. Powerful, me say we have a strong mind. Yeah. Get to use them shoulda rise long time. But the system now pay me no mind. So when you think say we forget, when you take when me forget, me a look at me no see you fix up it get to get. When pull it up.
Pull it up. Oi, you bad artists don't go far. Me know fool artists, you bad artists. Watching the people, the youth will bring Shabba in their business. Our name, the youth will bring Shabba, Kiba. Come in, Kiba ranking. Bad artists.
Oi, wall it up, Oliver, wall it up. Metro, here. I never bring Shabba in the business. Me and Shabba used to par in the business. See? Hey, it's all our people that were in a dance hall tonight. We know so no one crime rate for go down. Let me so no one and say yeah. If you no want the crime to go down, no make sense to una ball say una ball over the crime and still support the thing, you know. See it? Alright. You see me? I don't have no hit tune, but I know if we're at the stage. See it? I don't have a hit tune, but I know if we're at the stage. Every artist that the business get them forward. Keep around so get them forward. Oh, hear this. Hear this stuff. Oh, yes. Me no get my forward yet. Watch the forward there where me I go get. Me no get my forward yet. Watch the forward there where me I go get. But Shabba get him forward. Beanie get him forward. Bounty get him forward. Is. Wall it up. Yo. I cut and go through. Cut and go through. You see all like people that were in here. But no so to do something good in their life. When last old lady tell you say, God bless you my son. And how much time a blind man tell you say, thank you my son. So me get the blessing them. A good thing me doing when me getting them. Let's go to blessing them, you're blessing them. A good thing me doing when me getting them. Well, of these things me do, and me get me blessing them. Me feed the hungry and the poor and the shelterless. And in a life me always try to do me best. And with a clean and a poor heart, Jah know say me blessed. So when last a old lady tell you say, Jah bless you my son. Ease up. I cut and go through. Yo, hold it there, Oliver. Hold it there. You see, all of who there will come from country, whether you come from America, anyone who come from, you're supposed to know Kingston. Pay attention. I keep around for the musical banks. I tell God thanks. Hold it there, Oliver. Cut and go through. Lord have mercy. Baby bang mercy. Watch out now. Kingston, come let me tell you about Kingston. Kingston capital, Kingston. God, I want your name Kingston. Kingston. All right, Kingston, when you find Port Royal. Kingston 2, that a Outer Rockport. Kingston 3, that a Rollington Town. Kingston 4, you find Franklin Town. Kingston 5, that a run across road. Side a carry theater where the bus them load. Kingston 6 a public and non-papine. You take ease up. When me reach. Kingston 5, Kingston 6 a public and non-papine. You take student, them a roping. Kingston 7 that a August town. Assist like Calantry and Cape Breton town. But Kingston, go let me tell you about Kingston. Kingston is when me reach 7 Kingston. When me reach 8 Kingston 8 you find Constant Spring. Me dilly and me daddy run a red gal ring. Kingston 9 you find Golden Spring. Kingston 10 that a half a tree. I will for pretty girls when me sit down and pray. But Kingston, go let me tell you about Kingston. Me God.
Pull up. Kiba. Where you say you gone? Ah boy, a Kiba that. I'm a Shabba par. Any dog play to no one check Kiba. Yo! Run it again, Oliver, because we have some more bad artists. Yo, you hear me? Now you just come from England. Come here, man. Hold on. People of England him come from. Central America. Escúcheme. Esta es mi amigo. Mi amigo. Desde England. So here what? We in lyrics. Boom.
Hold it. And I want to say enough respect to all of the massive them both here, you know. Enough respect to One Blood Call, the whole works. Enough respect to Hooligan, Neros Joseph. Rhythm track. Peter, make you big up yourself, you know. Oh, Lord. One Blood Call. We lyrics on the borderline. Well, I say, come get a youth, the almighty calling. Listen, me people, this is the last warning. Come get a youth, I say, Jaja calling. Listen, me people, this is your loss. I see the youths, them a struggle every day. Them a let the system it a lead them astray. I don't want the youths, them fit on a criminal. Working hard is the key to survival. Youth and youth shouldn't end up being a victim. That's why you should have fight against them system. Every day me hear another mother bawling. Listen careful to the words when me talking, boy. I say come get a youth, the almighty calling. Listen me people, this is the last warning. Come get a youth, I say Jaja calling. Listen me people, this is the last. Working hard is the key to success. Yes man and woman, don't have to put out some interest. No make nobody come tell you say you're careless. Work your money, save it up and you fi invest. Mankindness me a beg on you fi work hard. Don't listen when I go end up in a backyard. Yes, me a beg on no fi stay on the right yard. Just help them out, Lord. I say come get a youth, the almighty calling. Metro.
Oh, him calling. Hey, Oliver, give me a little mix for the water. Hit name. Accident, a motor vehicle accident. Lord, accident appear. Accident, boy. Accident, a motor vehicle accident. Lord, accident appear. Accident. I'm gonna take a 91 and go and do in the park. When the van reach 3 mile, the van is shut off. Me tell the condo. Pull it up. Why a policeman tell me say every day one of the bike man them dead. With the yang bike. But anyway, all who want bike for buy. See the bike them here? You can't get a bike for 200,000. A discount around here now with 20,000 come out. So bring 180 come and you get one of them bike here. New set of bike come in, the other rest them sell out. Container come, see there, new bike. No massive. Drop it, fill it, Fraser.
See, some boy listen to this. Go out and find yourself another sound to play with. You little sound boys, you go find yourself another sound. You can play with choo-choo-choo. Go find yourself another sound. Metro Media gonna throw you down. Metro Media gonna throw you down. The very first time I listen to you, got my heart broken back.
Why me them ready me a wait to remember built more ballroom. Remember you take a ballroom, boy, those were the days.
No other sound can go.
Starlight ballroom.
And I mean it. Metro Media is the sweetest sound. And I mean it. Lord, all the while them coming at the dance, I go on like them big and them brown.
Yo!
But sound boy, I wanted to know Metro Media are the one of the yard. We are go bury them, just because them test Metro Media sound and Metro. We are go bury them. Metro Media crew are go bury them.
Oh gosh. A murder, come Metro Media in the area.
Yes, man.
A murder.
Robert of Church are nice. Big up all of the people from foreign there. Hey, we are go
killer them a one by one. A Sky Juice a go killer them a 2 by 2. Daddy Metro a go killer them a 3 by 3. Come catch up at and Tony Pampa love and spree. May have to sing murder.
Them not telling them man.
In the area.
Badang, 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 ding.
A murder. Come Metro Media sound killer. Whoa, whoa. We are dead dan diggity dan. We are dead dan dagadole. Dan diggity dan.
Give me a next bad tune for the Oliver. Give me a bad tune for the rhythm, Oliver. See the boss here.
I see this crying time.
See the boss here? Pull it up, Oliver. Yo, I just feel nice. I feel like for starting. From where they see my belly, I get big. And I fight a war with big belly. And Major Macri look for me and say, you know what you do? Eat your dinner in the morning. And don't eat nothing in the evening or them time. Just munch pan things. But sometimes I go in my yard and woman cook and you smell the food, you have to liquid. Sure. I try you don't even know. But big up, come here. Them say the youth are dead. See in Toulouse, you see me? Boy, you come out all time man for sure the people them say you're not dead. Big up all the people them we watch. See in Toulouse, I'm down dead. Is a man out of East name. What name? Toulouse. See in him. And people say at Toulouse, say all white people from Germany. Send all them pictures, so rest in peace, Toulouse. So here what? Yo, Johnny Osborne, drop it funny. Whoa.
We're gonna rock it tonight.
Pull it up. Yo, Cockatoo, you too bad here, man. Big up my virgin Cockatoo, living in Florida, you know. Watch out now. Yo, hear me? Run the part two. Terror Fabulous. We're fabulous there. Hold on. Pull up. We're Terror Fabulous there. Drop it. Watch your man. Bad artist.
What you mean? Yeah, man. You don't know. Alright. And if you have you ever seen a 45 before, does a man ever get made up front of your door? Pull up. Hey, yeah, man. One more time. Who is the famous? Rebel T. You don't know. Don't beat. All the champion sound them. Yeah, man. Guess what? When we say how many morning on the get up and pray, thank Father God we see your shining day. Not one, everybody shout hip hooray. And each man want go for them own way. But cool, we not to drop it. But heap of them attack, but some of us drop it. Them hold the blade, but so we hold the angle. Somehow, where good mouth conquer evil. So everybody look and listen. Sword in my hand will shine and not glisten. Ready me ready, no fi go fight any battle. Jah, I'm me back it if, no not the devil. Got me from the iniquity, them with them trouble. Shout it out loud, just up on the double. Again, yeah, how many morning and wake up and pray. Thank Father God we see your shining day. Not one, everybody shout it for me. And each, pull up. Now Peter make sure that I know from them time there. I want to say one more thing because give me the attitude because I don't know. Oh. Yeah, man, Jaffe again. Yeah, man, Marjorie, step up.
Yeah, man, big up yourself in our massive and crew. Yeah, Peter Mitchell, hold up them, general. Hold up them. Big up yourself, Peter Mitchell, for giving this little chance to come on this podium. Big up yourself, Johnny Smooth, anyway, you're there. Raga in Orlando, big up yourself, Raga. Dante, big up yourself, anyway, Michi. Drop it again. That one again stress to me. Fun time, shabba-dooba doing train. Oh, listen. Thursday night is here. Welcome in at the place. Come drink a couple beer. Don't just stand up and stare. Get off your laurels and join the fanfare. If you've been working all days of the week, now a fun time. Kick the shoes off your feet and follow your heartbeat. Rebel T headquarters, everything complete. Massive, stress-free. Dash where your troubles and kick where your crosses. Stress-free. You can't bust any bubbles, you don't worry about losses. Stress-free. Rebel T say kick where the troubles and fling where your crosses. Stress-free. You can't bust any bubbles. Watch out. Hard work and no play, make Jack a dull boy. Now a your time, just come out and full joy. Never make no old work, come keep you down. You will get old, you not stay young. You are the fate in you one. So, boss a wine and a combination and dance to a boom song. Rebel T headquarters, we say you can't go wrong. Massive, stress-free. Kick where the troubles and dash where the crosses.
Stress free, you can bust any bubble, you no worry about losses. Metro, stress free, kick where the troubles and dash where the crosses. Dash stress free, pull up that.
Yo, me the one go on it to the button. It's a true fabulous there, and I want to guess. Are you true fabulous about artists? Fabulous. Put things from people.
Now easy. Pull up. You hear me? How you play about the 82 road boy because find it. Yeah, man. Some say crime rate and parliament and prime minister and the people and the whole works. Keep it real. You hear me say? You don't know. Yeah, man, I honest. Ichibang, easy. Don't want to think quick. Easy trouble, so that's why no badness, real badness. Dancehall badness, you don't feel like, eh? Alright. Anyway, if you say what's up with him, my friend them want dig him. Can't this the woman and I call them pigeon, my friend you must be kidding for. Alright. When you say big man have the money, so him have the boss. And the little poor man, them to kiss him. What? Big man have the money, things are more fast. People when not so party get lost. It's like, look, some take on everybody in a class. Show him have the money, make a pick me pass. Hustling a go on poor man, fi hold a mass. Big man come in and rise up the class. Contacts are run things all down a walk. Big man bring in them cow and them calf. Poor man have a one car one ship off. Can't ship it off cause fi him money stop. Big man have the money, so him a the boss. When the little poor man, them to kiss him. Big man have the money, things are more fast. People. Pull up. Hold on. Dance all nice and rhythm nice and everything. No DJ and singer there, so you don't know. You see me, I say one more time. But them say crime rate. All the. Pull up. Lift up. I want to do some talking. Look at talking. The 20th of December is my birthday. See? I come to the store in 1974, so you don't know. I'm youths for the high them. The high them, most of the high them all on me, you know. We are youths same way. Anyway, we get to youth them and things, so you don't know why you are nice, you know. The way is the Prophet Cableton, Bojo Bantan stay so without a doubt. You see it? And someone say, kick it off. Yeah, man. No come near we, you see that? Fearless. All right. Give up the fight because the war is over. Give up the fight because the war is done. From St. Thomas to Westmoreland back to Hanover. What he perceives about from under the ground. Again, give up the fight because the war is over. Give up the fight because the war is done. From St. Thomas to Westmoreland back to Hanover. What he perceives about from under the. That's why many more to come, many more to come, many more to come. That's why they war now. Again, many more to come, many more disease to come. That's why they, you know. Remember, we just say when the last years are coming, gonna be rumors of war and the war now go done. Mother against daughter, father against son. Man, I go, they come gun and start shoot man down. To also man, blood that. Yeah, man. You don't know. All right. When we say guns and bombs, don't in my name. That will only bring your life to shame. Think about me from the inner the blood spouse game. Sunshine, breeze blow, then comes the rain. Guns and bombs, don't in my name. That will only bring your life to shame. I think about me from the inner the blood spouse game. Sunshine, breeze blow, then comes the rain. Straight Congo natty, you know King Selassie. Well, everything classy from the steering to the chassis. So me see how the hell them for your call man for some of the love. We say no, let them ball loud and massy. 357, so we stash it. We wicked and me was like a shabba mash up stash it. So them a counter that them can counter, can got him and a khaki suit. And sometimes Versace, original done, that we burn out every pussy. This Rasta man, you get to come from the Apache man, a revolutionist. We not gonna suffer copy, so show more love like me big. Would I say come? Yeah man, you don't know. Yeah, man, honest. You don't know.
Every time. And the goodness. Dancehall, we love it. You know why? And just the rocks. When you see the real fall. The rocks. Blessings overall. Yeah, man. Yo, yo. You see the dancehall, you know? You don't know. Alright, yeah. Well, your works is ready to be praised. Tell all the youth them where you gaze out them days. Do me you beg you take your hands from your eyes. Chant a couple songs and me say don't you be amazed. Because time is getting rough. You got to move on. Me say you got to step it up and sing, yeah. Time is getting hard. You can't come in a this and come live like a fraud. And just your works when you see the rain fall. Your works, blessings overall. And just your works when you see the sunshine. Your works, blessings every time. Watch this. Get up, stand up, and you will see what is what. How the hell you are go here, and you hear some paddle lock. When my friend them talk, you go on like you know you're full of chat. Rastafari, you made the top up for top. And when the rain fall, you say, I want little drop. And when the sun shine, you all out it too hot. Yet still the man a put food in a for your pot. But your mind still a linger in the complaint box. Your works, when you see the rain fall. Your works, pull up that. Rastafari. Peter Metro, say a thing.
Yo, fabulous, your body, man. You're too bad.
Yeah. Easy. So me go so, show me honor. All original Dayati champion. Where we tell them say, show me honor still. Will you put no ready pick up get the bank mail? You have to feel me go so, show me honor. All original Dayati champion. Fabulous I say, show me honor still. Will you put no ready pick up take the bank? Hey, step in at the bank and we no afraid. When this teacher and get paid. Wash the pump parade. Right park up in the shade. Escape done already made. Can't get catching on no raid. Until a bit. Lovely. Gracias. Easy liver. Yeah, we blow. Hold on, there's something missing up. Yeah, hold on. Rhythm. A dancer. Man and woman. Robert love when you dance and dance. With a lady. You know? Because me can't stop back the princess them because me nah mix up with no punky friend if you agree. Yeah, man. Alright. What I feel like, easy to lose it. Ha ha ha. You know? Easy. Hey. That's why me can't stop back the princess them because me nah mix up with no punky friend if you agree. Because the girls them me brother natural and pretty African daughter there. So we can't stop back the princess them because we nah mix up with no friend if you agree. Because the girls them me brother natural and pretty African daughter. What? Pretty and smooth and soft like a jello. Anyway me see you, me all miss mellow. Your favorite color me go here say a yellow. Right away you know I am a very lucky fellow. Woman I say I mean she want to work on her meadow. Whenever I'm around, nobody can echo. Drive away the fears and the tears and the sorrow. Love my girl bad all today and tomorrow. When some boy you promote, me know them have to let go. Bad man from rebel T-shirt, so when me say me can't stop back the princess them because we nah mix up with no punky friend. Pull up that. Peter Melcher.
Bad artist, thorough fabulous man. Remember when him a boss, you know? Yo, the artist here, you rise here, one of the baddest thing can lay down and redeem. Yo, on the nanny there, man. Well, the next bad artist here, you know? Hold on.
Position. Hold up your head and cock up your bottom. Hold on for the bed dead and hold on strong. Screaming and moaning me things say you stand.
There
no. It's like Bombay by between the girl them leg. So we must use that money. Bombay by between the girl them. Let me get them a right terror. Me and my girl hug up and a kiss up and a love up in a bed. Cock and rum, I ain't sing better. Make you know what me, I run the whole place red. Gate for the mic up. Bombay between the girl them leg. So we, you say something else?
Girl, hang on for your man can't perform. Can't hold your man, then oh man, you feel gone. Hang on for your man anyhow, anytime. Good man feel hold nobody.
Girl, no stop. Records a long thing for pushing on them system. Oh, me attack. Records a long thing for pushing on them system. Do you remember the one, yeah? Girl, I run and girl, I ball and girl, no stop. They go keep trying to see when Lynch can see the third leg. One of them are grown and them no stop ball. You see something else?
Pull up. Kid. We're not going nowhere. Who are the youths them in a dance hall, you know? Irie, Uri, all of the Irie. Chaka Chamba. Chaka Chamba. Original. Now, Chaka.
Wagwan Terror. He had the body see of a band boy. Ninja Kid. Yeah, mama, me not laughing thing, man. Run back that said with him there. You know long me not see them people here. Who remember me? No remember me, man. All right, listen this. Fight. Reggae, I get a big fight. Reggae, I get a big fight. I could have with the reggae, do they make them hear things so bad, say anybody hear reggae, I'm going to pull up. Now tell you, Sky just pick up himself. All the more people them, man. Fight. Reggae, I get a big fight. Reggae, I get a big. I could have with the reggae, do they make them hear things so bad, say anybody hear reggae, I'm a demo say mad. With the reggae, do they make them hear things so bad, anybody hear reggae, I'm a demo say, Calico man, reggae make up money, you think Calico man, reggae send a foreign country, pull up.
Peter, yo, a Shaka Shamba, you know, don't feel away no people. A Shaka Shamba, you know, when you get a little strokes and things, so you know have to see. See? Because sickness make for everybody. So big him up same way. Shaka Shamba. Saying, don't feel away, my brother, you represent. Kid, don't go away.
No, them man, them come sing in the business, you know. Where are going, Sky Juice? I wish part of the writer, sir.
Oh, remember that one, yeah? I rather to be with the good body girls, them, Dan, Jackie and Karen. Rather to be with the good body girls, no, serious and that's no. To be with the girl, them is my interest. Woman never really doing in the latest. Mixes Sky Juice, you know you are the best. Rubber dub thirds and nobody can test. Yo, Peter Metro, matches can. Sky Juice, the big belly man. Weber, what that? Big belly you got to? Oh man, are you the man they matter about? You run the east, west, north and south. Anywhere you go, you not stop from the coast. Terror.
Pull up. You know, Mister, me know them powerful, now that them seen. The body garden, I'm at your lane in a piece. Why love, southside and Dunkirk too. Tell us we water house and down in a jungle. Yeah. All right. Take time. Yeah. Mister, me know them powerful, now that them seen. The body garden, I'm at your lane in a piece. Spoilers, southside and Dunkirk too. Tell us we water house and down in a jungle. Politics promises now we not keep. A long time they will up where you look and where you seek. Them say everything grease and everything concrete. And then we run it back themselves we out cheap. Sack we like food, them all sell we like meat. But them wrong, shouldn't make we go up and we feet. Road rocky see up on the hill steep. That still now goes up if one stand up and speak. What's the secret well everything? Pull up that. Sky Juice, me I tell you what happened. Me I tell you what happened to the rhythm there. Remember, on a one mix, you know. But give me, you have some different mix, man. Give me some different rhythm there. See, 82 rhythm, big rhythm. Rhythm a bounce, but a bounce too fast and I play too fast. Yeah, man. You see me, answer? Keep it 1-2, old school. You see me, answer? Yeah, man.
Hey man, you bounce ke bang. Dancehall vibes of it come back again. It goes so. You bounce ke bang. Dancehall vibes of it come back again. Come from 1 until you reach up to 10. Tell them fabulous him I go give them problem. You better take out your pen. Remember Tiger in the come give them is a when. What is it? Yeah man. One more time. Now you see for badness. Tell some water park it. Play my low. Hear this. Yeah. Me tell them to harder. Who no captain and put on. Badness, nobody will be the blood run. No. Harder. Who no captain and put on. A badness, nobody will be the blood. You give your thing me on about carry boy. That now go work. Tap with a war with 110 man down, change your dirty life, put on your guns and repent. No take no boat sin or liar argument. Jungle man can't go garden, fear him dead. The other man can't go jungle, them we go now him dead. In a the dance hall, are you get dead? Don't get wanted. One heap a run away, some wanted buy bigger food and some buy defense. Man I run up and down, them can't sleep in at them bed. Harder, who no captain and put on. From a badness, nobody will be blood run. No. Harder, who no captain and put on. A badness, nobody will be, you know, yeah. When I get a soap fill lock, and then that to Fred go rob a bakery shop. And no Fred dead, me pass him on that down the road with the hand pan her head. I beg out some money if he go bury your dead. If I never hard days, boy you own no dead. When the tree from his young, that's away him mother said. Harder, who no captain and put on. From a badness, nobody will be blood road. No. Harder, who no captain and put on. A badness, nobody will be blood. I know for them the inner the dance. So if we did know, but it kind of late now, them gone pan get to row. This is not a movie, this is not a show. Show the dancehall vibes. So we tell them to harder, who no captain and Peter Melcher.
Pull it up, boy, turn fabulous. On the body, man. Fabulous, you want this again? Shaka Shamba, take it. Hold on. Don't play the aisle up the gun yet. See, hold on there. You Shaka Shamba, you never tune pan already, man. Shaka Shamba.
Yeah, man. Because you say sound of Metro Media, I want my sound, but you say Arrows Ambassador, me love that sound of bad. So you are running. Lord of His mercy. Ha. You see me love that sound of bad man next door to God, man. I love it, man. This is what I say. Me say me love that sound of bad, me love it next door to God, and if me can't hear that sound of man, pull up. Metro Media. Yeah, man, I told them at all the right now, I get a wicked stroke for night time, people. Can't even walk. Months, nearly a year, I sit down on my foot. Can't walk, can't do nothing at all. Everybody I say, we shaka somebody. I'm going to give thanks, man. I praise God, man. I can't walk, I can't walk. I say, yes, so. I have to come here, so. Because you saw the original dancehall thing. We have to come here, so, because we have to bring back the thing. Because you see, from the youth, them coming and bout them a bus with them kind of music. Happy murder, every day, 5, 6, 7, somebody are dead. Every day. So you say, with the music, I know a different something, run it. See me love that sound of bad, man. Sure. All of them, man. Glad of the music, man. Glad. Me say me love that sound of bad, me love it next door to God, and if me can't hear that. We run dance hall, we run party, and any sound out the road they ever try test we just lick it down bad, make the bugger play a tree and make it no say Metro Media run the party. That's why love that sound up, pull up.
Pull it up. Shaka Shop, hey, what a ninja kid. It's like how you have Fabulous and mash up the place, so. You don't DJ on the general yet. You take piece of the general, man. Level it down. Well, make a boss sound for new thing, you know. Yeah. That thing I name, who want to do all of this before God come, because whole heap of thing we do before God come. You see?
Say here, me now. I want to listen to the lyrics. Keep it low. Keep it low. Teach them. Are you there? All right. Father God, forgive me for all the things I've done. The lying, the cheating, the cursing tongue. Give me a next chance before my life done. Like Sister Marian in your house, me a ton. Me tired fishing with you, me want win. Give thanks in life and all your blessing. Help me if you wake up tomorrow morning so that the world can sing. Uno help me. Me want do this before God come. Me want do this before God come. Me want do this before God come. Stop tell lie. Stop give bone. Me want do this before God come. Me want do this before God come. Me want do this before God come. Start go to church and stop drink from level. But me not ready yet. Sorry, Father, it all fi stay celibate. Yes, me a sinner, but still me a your delegate. Protect me life, me not ready for your any yet. Cause me not less than nobody. If you know God, do not question nobody. Not take out all your stress for nobody. I'm just putting on the ear, no man, and just wave it and sing with me now. Everybody sing. We want to do this before God. We want to do this. Love me, you know.
And some me know about artists. Pull up. Some me know about artists. Them have surprise lyrics to the people. Them. Yo, Sky Juice. Where the man has a big belly man?
Yeah, Peter, me say, big up myself. Hey, Jackaby Bookaby in Atlanta. Me not hear show this, you know. Come say, watch this every weekend, Jackaby Bookaby. Big up. Hey, Screech, what go on? Big up myself, you know. Saying, me tell you, Jackaby in Atlanta, big up, you know. Sing car wash, saying, big up myself, you know. Coming on phone show this, you know. What go on, book up a lot of Atlanta, you know. So here's a Peter, Metro.
Yo, Screech, you big up yourself. Are you we are talking about today? You know, remember Ronald show? When you go eat the callaloo and the ice cream and a murder. Big up there. Big up Bridget Screech and big up him brother Ground Fire. Now we have enough more. What the next rhythm you have line up? Drop rhythm now, man. Way up. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Watch your lieutenant, man. Watch ya. Whoa. Lieutenant Brooksy. Pull it up, Brooksy. Wagwan, a long time I don't see you. You represent same way for King Selassie. Lieutenant Brooksy.
Yes, Peter Metro Oliver. You don't know the thing going on. All right, oh yes. Make a youth, make a mother proud. All right. Put it down, juvenile. Put it down, juvenile. Put it down. Put down the gun from out on your waist. Put it down, juvenile. Put it down. Upon your mother, you want bring disgrace. Put it down, juvenile. Put it down. Put down the gun from out on your waist. Put it down, juvenile. Put it down. Upon your mother, you want bring disgrace. Mix. Time is getting serious. You two are fishing can just pull on the war and think just not tell. Pull up. And come again one more time, Oliver. A Lieutenant Brooksy, self-reliance, Spanish town. Big up a Lieutenant Brooksy. Watch out now. Wake up early in the morning. Just as I was dreaming, I wonder where him under. Coming up with a cash pot rate that I wonder where him a go play today. Mix me, I fi get it pot, I fi get it pot, I fi get it pot, but I fi get the cash pot. I fi get it pot, I fi get it pot, I fi get it pot. Coulda $120 when me got. I fi get it pot, I fi get it pot, I fi get it pot. Jamaica can cash pot shark. I fi get it pot, I fi get it pot, I fi get it pot. Level down. Me dream see the monkey a run down the rat. Dream see the goat all pan the outstop. Tell Auntie Jane she's a big rate that. Go up on the shop by the 8:30 pot. Wait a me wait till the number drop. Don't play me number and me feel so flat. But me just not stop. Come here go buy back in at the 10:30 pot. I fi get it pot, I fi get it pot, I fi get level on Oliver. I think of that. One shot. Me take a break lunchtime. We go back 1 o'clock. Me cash pot kelp. Me start to study that. Mr. Teen must if he say black man a idiot. Me a go buy 18 racers on the track, but him draw down. Him inch me. Him draw down. Him inch me. Away under. Him draw down.
It means me. Alright, that's what I say. I fi get it pot, I fi get it pot, I fi get it. Pull up. Pull up. What up, Oliver? My name is Welton and Brooksy. Big up Chronics. Nicky Dread, big up yourself. Spanish Town, Self-Alliance. Only famous, big up yourself. Still, if you give me the platform. Peter Metro. But people, I'm going to sing one more song, and this is my big song. We're going to sing it on the rhythm now. It's all about talk it over, you know. Now for reason it out with my empress. So I'm tell her, say, I want your love, girl, I need your love. Never deny your love. Alright, sit and out, teeth and tongue with me. Oh baby girl, let's start it over. Too wrong and right, so baby girl, let's start it over. Yeah, needless fuss and fight, so baby girl, let's start it over. Let's start it over, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Level the music. I might sleep out some nights. Oh baby girl, I did not do it for spite. Gang, I'm only trying to earn a bread to put a roof over our head. Say I'm not trying to be smart, and I did not mean to break your heart. King, let's go for a walk. Mix, let's go sit in the park. Teeth and tongue will meet. So baby girl, let's talk it over. Too wrong and right. Peter Metro, pull up. Thank you, Peter Metro.
Yes, Lieutenant Brooks say, hey, watch out, people. Echo Minott, not touch it yet. All the way from Europe. Echo Minott, hold on there. Hold on and breeze. I hear the headliner. From night, we don't hear no female DJ. Yo, Poochiloo, come here. Hey, may I tell you, remember Poochiloo? She and Macca Diamond and Queen Paul and the whole of them used to par. Saying, I see Macca Diamond boss gamble her business. She's still there with Poochiloo. Baby, don't worry yourself. Saying, one day, don't give up. Poochiloo. Boom.
All of the people them know say righteousness exalted the nation. I'm here to make some noise. Come in and serve a dead God. Run the rhythm. All massive and crew. What Mama Poochie say? Because we know righteousness, you know? Exalted the nation. Yo! Tell them me no serve a dead God. All when them want me and happy, oh me always glad. Tell them me no serve a dead God. All when them want me and happy, oh me always glad. Enough time me get up and me really feel sad. But the last year I said that me must always glad. Enough want see me smoke, walk out and get mad. Still I go through it up all that and lad. Enough time me get up and me can't find no food. Just looking at myself and think like a rich dude. Enough want see me go dance and go sleep and get nude. But this I want it them and dilute. But tell them me no serve a dead God. All when them want me and happy, yo me always glad. Tell them me no serve a dead God. Pull up. Cause righteousness exalted a nation, you know. I used to me hard life kill me. I mean your Mama Poochie, hear that? Everything about hard life, me know it. All who know about hard life, me here to make some nice, I'll get the people. That one of them hard life. Mr. Metro. Hard life. That one of them hard life. That one of them hard life. Nobody can tell Poochie about hard life. This name hard life. That one a name hard life. That one a name hard life. Nobody can tell Poochie about hard life. What was we facing at the morning is a mango me have to bite and further down when hungry start twist me tribe. Now it turn referee when hungry start bite. Plus me see myself as a real Bugs Bunny. Happy dig the street for look me youth lunch money. Them do hard life because I eat bail we. More time I one cake to observe the whole of we. Plus me in the street me know the street side now lit. Never graduate yet no one name call it. No nice breakfast, no egg and sausage. More time can even buy a cup of porridge. That's why them treat me like underprivileged. Me know hard life. That one a name hard life. That one a name hard life. Nobody can tell Poochie about hard life. Bridge light and bridge water, that is my life. But the light man come and him cut down my light. Water man come but them come overnight. So last night is that candle me feel light. None of them no want see me get the green light. But tonight it going cause a tag fight. So hard life. police now.
Well, on a poochie, man. Hard life. Yeah, man, don't worry yourself. More rhythm I play now. You think how you feel like? Squiddly, how you want to know? Squiddly, where you want to say what you're saying?
People, I don't know what a sound clash supposed to go on between the police them, right? The two police them supposed to clash, but here we are going. The clash now go on tonight. Because Shabba ranking flying today. I want the policeman who bodyguard Shabba go to the airport, go and pick him up. And the next one, them call him for state of emergency around one place around so. So here what next week. You see next week, you come and make sure that they are from about 9 o'clock. Because the clash will start 10. You see me I say the two police will go clash next week. See, so they know the thing go. Alright, Peter Metro. Your time again.
Well, I don't give me one more fabulous guy yet, but let me read this there. Tacoma Roma present. You hear me? In your own lane. Guess what? Right here, so it keep. Rebel T sound a play. A sound named Stainless and Kilimanjaro. Right here, so the 24th of the month here. See it? The 24th of the month here, Christmas Eve. Right here, so. And guess what? The 20th, that are the 23rd, Capleton, live on our platform. Right here, so with all of the bubble them. See, so write down that. Capleton, right before Christmas Eve. Right here, so live. So here, a Terror Fabulous. We know, say boy, you have bad artists and you have whole heap more hit song. Boom.
Yeah, man. Listen here, sir. East, west, north, and south. Earth and smoke. Alright. So me go so promote the ganja and demote the coke. Let me tell you that no joke. Tell you for me to say, just the cocaine in the bottomless pit. And guess what? Too much tobacco make you sick. Hey, when the ganja will be virgin and we sit down and we talk about some serious things in the past. Pull up that. Pull up that. Pull up that. But me ganja with me bedroom and we sit down and we talk. We talk about some serious things in the past. The ganja is a big thing we only know of. It was found among the wise and the smart. Then try to counteract it with the rum and the glass. The coke and the crack just to keep us apart. Them say, ganja we bust all the string to your heart. And raise up your pressure up to 0.0. It goes so promote the ganja and demote the coke. Let me tell you that's no joke. Tell you for me to say. Plus the cocaine in at the bottomless pit. And guess what? Too much tobacco make you sick. Run that. Yeah, man. All right. East, west, north, and south. What I'm saying, son of gosh. Anyway. Oh, them come and tell me, say them bad and them wicked. Me check it out and them have some big guns to pride. And if them have a one gun to show. Yo. Yeah, man. Yo. You see? Hey, you Mr. Wicked and bad, watch your style. And tell me, say you're fooling or you. Well, oh, them come and tell me, say them bad and them wicked. Me check it out and them have some big guns to pride. And if them have a one gun to show, nobody will say you can't decide the crow. Oh, you come and tell me, say you're wicked and you're bad. Me check it out and them have some big guns. And if them have a one gun to show, nobody will say you can't decide the crow. Anything me say about the gun, you see your cause. Some boy love the gun, but they not give it up.
Fabulous. Fabulous, you inspire me, youth. Fabulous, me tell you all the white you inspire me, no. Do them.
Play it low, too low, watch your mix. Play it low. So when you're from the junior, you're the senior. You name it in a story, tell the print up in the gleaner. They know they want to come and this in this arena. You're not afraid of nobody and the crew with them in a prima ballerina. Them are the junior, you're the senior. You name it in a story, tell the print up in the gleaner. They know they want to come and this in this arena. You're not afraid of nobody and the crew. Anyway, hot and sexy, miss wet and wild. Me when me sweat you feel the first and second mile. When me get near the girls and me no pet and smile. Them never know how this. Hold on there. 45. No, we're talking 45. Hold on. 45. No, one. You have to have about 45, one. Wait. Hot and sexy, miss, wet and wild. Me ready to sweat your feet the first and second mile. When me get near the girls and we no expect and smile. They never know about the dance and session style. Girl, you hot, you bring your first and... Alright, see it? A dance all me I talk about. Squiddly. Peter Metro. Toulouse to the man called Oliver. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Them say education. Can you spell that word? Because we go to school too. I'm not going to high school, we go to secondary school. So I'm not too bright like some of them, but we have little education. Alright. Keep it low. That's what I'm telling you. We tell them, no retreat, no surrender. We not lotion pet, we not pamper. No retreat, no surrender. And if some... We now powder, put on lotion this year. Anything test we gone down in a wheelchair. We no good that. But like a stand and now kick like a mirror. Then I go matter way. We still now go here. They go for belly up. Yeah man. Yeah man. What I feel like? Yeah. Them feel like joking. Well, what I'm promoting. Alright, watch me. If I was to see you with the gun in your hand, me tell you put it down, now you're wrong. Hey, look at you, me tell the truth, and if you don't overstand, you better live from bout your ass strong. Come again. Well, if I was to see you with a gun in your hand, me tell you put it down, now you're wrong. Hey, look at you, me tell the truth, and if you don't overstand, you better live from bout your ass strong. Because you are going to tell me say you're gonna your protection. Hope you're so down there so them a war from how long. What if a body fine in a garbage can? Protect the black population. Must be a couple bad injection. Still we under brainwash education. Sing this song, we no wrong. Hey, anyway, if I was to see you with a gun in your hand, me tell you put it down, no, you're wrong. Hey, look at you, me tell the truth, and if you don't overstand, you better live from bout your hands scrum. Come again. Hey, if I was to see you with a gun in your hand, me tell you put it down, no, you're wrong. Hey, look at you, me tell the truth, and if you don't overstand, you better live. Pull up that. Pull up that. Because you know why? Hold on. Peter make you say a thing because out of Uno come we. You see me I say the I them, we say Uno, because some man say them born Uno, but they don't know how to talk. We are Jamaican Uno. Well, Peter make you squiddly. Even the princess just give me a vibe because I love the girl more than DJ. Yeah. Toulouse, I see you from a long time. Anyway, Peter make you say a thing before I come in.
Yo, fabulous. May I tell the truth where God love. I remember, you know, fabulous, when you're just a boss, you know, after you and Buju, I go at it neck and neck. Seeing, I'm fabulous. It's a pleasure and an honor for see me stand up right here side of you as a veteran, and you're a younger veteran for them little youth nowadays. And me tell them, say, listen to her fabulous when I'm just a boss. You hear them youth a DJ about shut out people head back. Listen Sizzler, listen Buju. That's why them youth can stand up today with song we sing 20 years ago. Bad artists are bad artists, people. Don't make them trick on you. Seeing them youth are bad. Put things from people.
Hold on now. I look, I'm Mr. PJ get old. See, I got drop out. So what you feel like? I did a long time and I was since before I come in and hurt, you know. Hold on, pull up. Hear this. Facts and reality. As me I say, I'm not educated like some of the items, but help you and I same way. Each one teach one. Politics in Jamaica will never stop because we love vote. Some of we are labor right and some are PNP. Do you know that? I was so still. But me no vote. But me love the whole operation because I mean I say, the killing for stop. When I say shoot jungler, that and Tivoli, that are Reem or anywhere. But you don't know. The police, them will love them because when you see them pull up, make them come in and check and nothing. We love them same way. Our people them same way. Have them wife and you know. See you don't know. Ninja Kid, big up. Tubbies. The last year I know. Squeeze it Joe. Yeah man. John Jr. You don't know. And the best thing from downtown. Yo, yo. Yeah. Alright, now go back. Give me now. Keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. Keep it low. Give me now. Tell them so we fit, we strong, strong, strong like a lion. Confront and we compose up with all the weapon, yeah. We not go back from the boy, think a second. Who are the leader for the gang? Now tell them so we are Gilligan. Gilligan walk without fear. Gilligan tell them so I will prepare. Gilligan defend them rights anywhere. Them have them under bondage for so many years. Yeah, I have to hold on. Abbreviation. You see between, pull up. Abbreviation. You see between each letter, you have a dot. Spell Gilligan, Gilligan. You know what that pronounce in another way? God is love. Look inside Genesis and notice. Gilligan, hear me spell it? God is love. Look inside Genesis and notice. Gilligan. One more time. Yeah. We don't stay one place so long. All right, yeah. Tell them so we fit and we strong, strong, strong like a lion. Confront and we compose up with all the weapon, yeah. We not go back from the boy, think a second. Who are the leader for the gang? Now tell them so we are Gilligan. Gilligan walk without fear. Gilligan tell them say I will prepare. Gilligan defend him rights anywhere. Them have him under bondage for so many years. First thing you say, are you wrong? Tell me white is pure. Then say black as Satan. Judge me by me color, but me not sing your song. Tell me if you sit down, when me know me if you stand. Tell me close me eye, you tell me class me hand. Change up me name, you give me the wrong impression. Separate me brother, them now them turn holy gun. Put them in a camouflage, sell them off you make bomber. But if you never hear me, see some in the man, me build me house up on the rock. Who no build it on the sand. Tell them so we fit, we strong, strong, strong like a lion. Come front of it, blood that. Rastafari love in the Peter Metro, say a thing.
Why? Bad artist for your barn, yeah, man. You're bad. Bad.
Yo. Choose some boy name, I call them get hype up. In the long run, them I go get wipe up. They no intelligent and them is... No time is... Little John! Little John! Keep it low. Easy. Me say enough time, me sit down and me look. Enough for all the boy if you read over the book. All the little fish I see just get catch by the hook. They no intelligent, them a shove and them a push. Pretty close get to you, or the shoes upon your foot. Or what should your name a call, make your acting so push. I see bigger than you, and them a jump up. Before you come in at the dance practice in at the bush. Well, choose some boy name a call them good. In the long run, them a go get wipe up. Them no intelligent and them is not impressive. And true vanity, them all get swelled. Some boy name a call them good hype up. In the long run, them a go get. Go and play. Don't give me no bad cancer like you want this gangster bad man say kill for the time, man. Yeah, man. All right. And what about showing, you know? And I know beats in the backstage and singers, you know? All right. Yeah. Anyway, so we go so card the years because one more dead again. Fabulous sing to them. Card the years. Yeah, man, this one is not new, you know? Just play me low. Hey, yeah. So me go so call the years because one more dead again. Tell the family to sing to them. Call the years because I mix up with the wrong friend. We want to know from when. Call the years, I saw them mother shouting out and ball and chat about them gun tall. If you never disrespect, you would know dead after all. Anyway, hey. First you come and tell me how you bad and wicked. Say are you about the big 21 pound rapid? Me really want to know well if you really right it. You talk like you want me say you big and massive. Me know you from a small from the two away your kid. You should run up and down fly kite and play a gig. But now you come a man, you can't believe how you want live. Blood marking on your hand and bad news on your parade. And should you tangle up on the friends you hate with. See now them gone on the funeral fridge. So me go so cardious because one more day than them. Fabulous sing to them. Cardious because I mix up with the wrong friend. We want to know from when. Cardious I saw them other shouting out and ball and chat about them gun tall. If you never disrespect, you would not dead after all. Keep it low. I know one, I know two, I know three times a year. Yeah. I know one, I know two, I know three times a year. Your family call you and say, young man beware. Defend them you a follow, me know them no care. And if a big thing set you, everyone disappear. The big 45 when you walk up in at the square. Let the man, the woman and the children scare. Big mouth you have, but you now have no fear. Boy, you unlucky, you end up with all your life here. God, the years, because one word. No, Major, me DJ 30 now. But you don't know. Yeah. All right. Play me low, play me low. Play me low. Stay no come out for them kids. Hey, you miss a gun fall. You come and tell me say you roll. All I say you grab your head gun skull. Now the officer book you reach a 45 and you just jump like I'm your hole. Hey, you miss a gun clown. I chat about you want a showdown. When them the when rude boy I am a run town. Hey, it better if your master face and lock your little mouth and stop frown. Well then me say, how when some little boy out I would have practice. Some of them a come and tell me they no shoot and miss. And if you talk too hard, you be the next target. To the elder and your family, you this year, what this year. Two face to find me with ugly lip. You don't know your answer different from your wrist. You don't know what the nozzle of a gun from the tip, but yet still you are say you run John Public. John Public, we miss you. If you love badness, you come to we no gun argument, your gun low not take. Gun fold. You come and tell me say you roll. All I say you got your head gun skull. Now the officer book you reach a 45 and you then jump like I'm your hole. Alright, pull up. Well, I know. Oh, my princess. That's why my DJ tune first. That's why I can't stop back the princess them though. Alright. Every princess have a prince. Every king have a queen. Alright. One more time. You don't know. Dancehall fans inside out. Play me low, keep it low. Guess what? This girl ya come disrespect me. Follow friend and now me know she woulda love for you have me again. Hey, got disrespect what we have going on. I made the promise of to keep her warm. Hey, you this the man we love you now. The man left you a ball. And now she up and down and I make pay phone call. How she want him, how she need him. After all she can't make it alone because I love lifestyle. Night time she say it's just loneliness. You're missing me, you're missing all the happiness. Yes, to herself me know she must confess. Treatment to me give her she never get it yet. Because she disrespect me. Fall a friend and now me know she woulda love me and me again. Hey, got disrespect what we have going on. I made the promise of to keep her warm. All a man like me love the woman them so much. Me all give them name, we call them fabulous. Woman come up for we, them come up for we purpose. Woman they have to care and nurse us. Well then, so when a girl like you go do what you do, disrespect the program, me must feel blue. If you make a quarrel, believe me, it takes two, not again Pampy your avenue. Walk her out and her crew, because a bigger things man of you. Bigger, she disrespect me, fall a friend and now me know she woulda love for you and me again. Hey, you got disrespect what we have going on. I mean the promise of the kid. Pull up. Alright. Come on, sir. Glamorous, glitterous, woman, you look fine. I'm under pressure, you not surprise me, mine. Glamorous, glitterous, and you may have to call. Even if you're dead, your body great China. First time me see you, it's a girl, what a sight. Bell ringing in my ears, and me can't sleep at night. Dancing around in a state of fright. Wish you did there, for me hold you tight. Hold it in my arms would make everything right. So just cancel your plan and postpone your flight. Make you bust white wine by the candlelight. Glamorous, glitterous, woman, you look fine. I'm under pressure, you not stop right me mine. Glamorous, glitterous, and you may have to call. Even if you tell your body. Every man come, them want spend money. Bank book broke and money no plenty. While your ears can't hear, your eyes up to see. Glamorous girls passing by daily. One for school, one for Bobby, and the next one for me. What about Sabatune? Him gone crazy too. She glamorous, glitterous, single and free. Tempting, teasing with her body. Hope you apply. Nobody asks me true. She glamorous, glitterous, woman, you look fine. I'm under pressure. Alright. What I feel like? You never catch a girl yard, so she come and chat. And I go and tell you she a put food in your pot. And not that a girl fi chat. Till her fi come touch and make you. That's when they coffee. One more time. You never catch a girl yard, so she come and chat. And I go and tell you she a put food in your pot. And not that a girl fi chat. Till her fi come touch and make you. That's when they coffee. You mash the turbos. Girl they over there so tough like a crocodile. Put your hand in the air and jump up me dear child. 1 penny, 2 penny. Oh, what a sight. Should you have a road with the one next girl a go on while you have yeah, man. So what don't feel like? Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Me have a little thing, for say. Hold on, pull up, pull up. Enough artists there, as I said before. Enough singers at Beatle Bailey. I can't say your hide. All right, no say nothing. So, hold on. Someone a play number 2. Enough man, my DJ is already. You see me I say, you talk about number 2. Anyway. So me look at me say, as a youth I grew up. When I go to studio then time there, me used to work at Elgin Road, in a crossroad. So I left and I say I go to studio and I'm go try to do something, you know? All right. So I go to studio, you don't know, give me a gun song or give me a girl song. Them time there, you know. So I say, what? For boss? Just for boss? Give me a gun song or a girl. I say, all right. So I get in the same way. But we get in a way where we keep things biblical, the Bible way, you know? We not to get derogative and our thing that. So the Empress them, when you're not DJ or singer, just come good. You see our righteousness? We love that. All right. Peter Melcher, continue on the continuation.
Yeah. Yo, clap the man, man. Clap the man, man. Roll up around for terror. Yo, give me a lion paw for the youth. Lion paw, the baddest thing. Yo, me not tell a lie. What is? From me know that you are the yo, you hear me? Are the baddest thing ever touch the stage. I mean I take back my talk. Jigsy King, yeah, him a go neck and neck, but boy, Fabulous have some hit here. Big up Terror Fabulous. Big him up 100%. Nothing less. God know them youth there. Seeing we happy. Share the honor. Fabulous from my heart, my brother. You deliver for our platform. I mean, no say, you exceed a lot of people's expectation because we never know them that come deal with it. So, God know, from my heart. Honor you, my brother. Honor you. So, here, Wally more artists there, and I just want to support the bar. Please, Mikey Chin, you left from St. Thomas, and you come here. And every time you come here, support the bar. Big up Tara Sound, Mikey Chin from in England. Big up on yourself. Part 1 and part 2, and that's the thing there. You see our road? Play by the King so called. Body Metro International.
Play what you play and do what
to do.
Echo Minott.
Metro Media have something sound boy.
Yes, man.
Dollars can buy. Metro Media. Metro Media.
Yo!
Oh, yeah.
And the Living Stone. You have to come sing for the real rock, yeah, man. Sure.
Ooh, yes. Because when I have got no money,
Yes, man.
Metro Media is still my sound.
John.
There is no
Hold on.
reason to be funny.
Play about a little John, yeah. John, buy me a water now. Remember me there on your show Saturday. Yeah, to see a long time when I hear from him named Michael Palmer. Drop.
Boogie, boogie, boogie.
Yeah.
Metro Media ever ready.
Whoa.
Ever ready. Ever ready.
Rubber up nice, man. Watch ya.
A sound boy is dying in this dance.
Whoa. Witty.
And when him get killed, Sky just jump and prance. A sound boy is dying in this dance.
Hold on, play about that tune here.
Yes.
Yo. Anyway. Tristan Palmer.
Metro Media sound.
Hey.
The champion sound.
You're the youth, Tristan Palmer. You're the man vice, man.
Every day is a sound clash.
Whoa.
On a Metro Media window.
Pull it up.
Another victim of the sound.
Yo, Panana, me don't hear no Panana. Walk now.
Metro Media sound.
Knock it up, knock it up.
The champion sound. The number one sound. Every day is a sound clash. On a Metro Media window. Another victim of the sound war. Slain in the dance, man, it's crucial. We not gonna stop this here killing. Underneath the expression of sound. Whoa. No more sound that they have to dead. No more sound that they have to run. We have no sound, not a reason. Metro Media, not a reason. No, jump on at large. Sky juice have to put up in guard. Cause they must stay from far.
George looks, hear that George looks there. George looks. Right. Family Barber. Rubber Dub Nicey. Original dancehall.
Hey. You don't seem to realize which sound you criticize. You don't seem to realize who you play with. You're always watching Metro's business. Them claims say
Yo, O'Neal.
don't do inquisitive because you're so and sky juice. You're so and the scratching. You're so
Watch ya. A long time when I hear the artist here. Barry, bro. Don't play style.
Metro Media sound is the champion sound to top of the world. Yeah, that's what it goes. Everything I try to see, I plan to make you sound more.
Right.
Metro Media sound is the champion sound is the top of the dance.
Right.
Fucking out so lucky. Fucking out so lucky.
Yeah.
Metro Media sound is the champion
So,
sound.
right. Listen. What about we get? One more. Listen.
Hey, Oliver, play the tune now. Me tell you this, yeah, you know Mikey Black. You remember this?
No ice cream sound.
Mikey Black, remember this?
No ice cream.
What's guys who's the watch you now? Listen.
I don't want no ice cream sound. It's too soft for me.
Listen, Metro Media. Peter Metro, long live on the right hand. Big up say Peter.
No ice cream sound.
Listen. Hey, Jaga be book and Atlanta. Kawa school. Don't let go bling.
I don't want no ice cream sound of the soft, can't you see? I want a sound that can play the rubber dub the Metro.
I want one.
I want a sound that can make a session look like a stage show, and that is why I say.
Listen, Oliver. When I judge them tune, the other world class sound dead, you know. I want me to get to one, you know. When I come on my sound, different thing, you know. Oliver, play the big bad tune now. Touch it. Touch it, long live Oliver.
Big respect to all Metro Media crew. All Sky Juice, I want to push out your belly. I know no guy better than expensive like your one this year. Out on to Metro, don't worry yourself, because I know when Johnny
Hey, Nature, you him say that now.
So come, Johnny Osborne, come. Yeah.
You don't start it out. In the 80s and 90s, let me do also here.
Like how they do. This is a Metro Media passing through. And we're all laughing and singing. La 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 la.
Mr. Watch out. Hey, Mr. Macri.
Like how they do. This is a Metro Media passing through.
Mr. What, Mr.
And we're all laughing at you.
Shut up, big up, Atlanta, big up. Sister, tell me where you see.
Like basketball.
Hey, don't so, no, so. Father just get up. Big dead man, that. Bounty killer, anyway, they pick up the same here, sir. Screech it up.
In the middle.
But remember, you enter them John Mouse. Watch it now. Watch it now. We are him. Hey, see the ranking race. Listen. Hey. Sky Juice. John Mouse.
Them said you need the Metro of the Lord. Metro Media, sweetness uncomparable.
Ease up. Ease up. God, the bar will support you. Major Macri, you want to say something? So yes, my Major.
Yes, people, welcome to Original Dancehall Thursdays. This is our platform. And on a sweet and sour platform. And no Adam and Eve and Noah platform. And on a chicken back and flour platform. And on a PNP and shower platform, our platform. So we have to bless all of the people them where they support the bar. Zane and support the kitchen, me a beg on no. Little John, big up yourself. Remember, December 24th, right on your saw. A thing named Stay in Your Own Lane. Rebel T Sound, Stainless Sound, Kilimanjaro, host by I, Major Mackerel. All of the people them love on yourself, you know. Sky Juice, Nibibam.
Say you here. Better one of the greatest things I can stand by what back in ideas and make you to the mic. It one and people want to touch it again. Big up yourself, Major. Love you, know you.
Remember the night when the fight broke out with Stats and Metro Media. And we did a beat Stats people them for Metro Media.
Yeah, right. Hey, a PSO making a Jamaica. And that idea me I never win world class. I them tune them music and win world class, you know. When me go world class, they say Sky Juice, where you go? Me say me go beat them and teach them. I'm sure them tune a world class. Me go take me tune
no, this is not exclusive, this is extra-clusive. Original 90s star coming from Buju Banton. No, all original, you big up on yourself, you don't know good tune. This one only played by Metro Lead alone. Coming from Buju Banton and Dan Leroy Smart. Now watch this, don't forget big up, and don't forget small up, go and small up. Those Sky Juice, however, don't forget Smart. Stop up.
I them tune them, there's a lot of the world and England. Ask Mikey Blacks. Listen, you know what I'm saying? What's that? Listen.
Hear this though.
What's the meaning of life?
Metro Media.
Listen.
Life it is for living.
Wait, Pam, push up. I them tune them lose. I love them all England. Ease up. I talk about England 23rd. I mean, Oliver, about 14 show in England. Them say people must say Sky Juice, the people might wait for you. Because I do a thing in New York, in Queen's Park, 15,000 people. People are telling the truth. Me don't some people love me and me, but me get nervous. You see me run at Queen's Park, the whole of New York lift up. When me touch down, ask anybody, what's huge when you see it? Why me don't know people love me, say if you want me don't know. And the work I'm put in. Tune out of
only play by Metro Lead alone. Coming from Buju Banton and Dan Leroy. Don't Sky Juice, however. Don't worry, attention, Leroy Smart. Stop up.
Easy. Metro
Listen. Lock down.
Hear this though.
What's the meaning of life?
Metro Media.
Life it is for living.
You know that.
It can bring loving.
Don't try test.
What's the meaning of life?
Wait till Buju come in. Wait till Buju come in.
Metro Media brings life.
Metro Media eat to tickle.
You know what them show there?
Anytime.
The Sky Juice are stealing.
Metro Media brings
Rest in peace, stealing. I steal the cut them tune of the Sky Juice. Stealing. Rest in peace. Let Bambujo. I steal it. Cut them to the Sky Juice. I'm Studer. The Sky Juice. Back in the ideas. Let Bambujo. Let Bambujo.
Metro Media I take life. Metro Media I take life.
Let Bambujo.
Wanna hear it?
Metro
sound moving just like a nuclear. So I want to test with them must be prepared. Metro moving just like a nuclear. Sound want to test with them must be prepared. The big cake is here on Metro watching shit. I know today, yesterday, neither last year. A long time we in the business. You know we must be preparing women. Them busting like a ball in the atmosphere. Cause Metro moving just like a nuclear. So I want to test, then them must be prepared. Metro.
Listen. You know, back in the days, 80s and 90, 88 and 91, when we are playing Metro Media and Soul play, run a soul camp for them. Guess me, I start talking on mic now. Peter Metro say, Sky Juice, hold the mic and start talking. Come if I want to talk. We used to play part one and Peter DJ. And Peter see me, him bust me out big. Me I tell you, see man who bust me big to the road. And say, Sky Juice, take the mic and talk no man. Suppose me gone one day, where you go do? You know what? As the man tell me, so 1 year after the man gone New York, if you have pushed out, me alone left from the sound. Me have to start talking to Ratty. I'm bringing Weber, murder. It's a big fat one, a big like me, you know. Then me bring him in, bust him out. And nobody me bust him out. Jiggy Youngs, bust them out. And we don't go to high school. And me help the whole of them. Ask Peter Metro. Peter Metro help me help him. And I do them. Tune!
I'll never let it go.
Big up Metro. Bunch of Sky Juice. Stop my mic.
Oh no.
No Sky Juice. Watch out.
I will never let it go. Metro Media.
So
I will never let it go.
He's up Oliver. Mr. Selector. Right hand. Miss Babsy Grange. Big up Miss Babsy Grange. Anyway, I heard it. Baby, love and honor to you. Because you can go to Jamaica house and call me legend. She said to me, says, Mr. Bogle, you don't know how great he is. You don't know how great he is. And come at the legend. Me I go to all the airport and the white people, what's up, legend? Saying, I don't know people love me, so me a jive and come from a pub and me jump out of the car and run me down and want to take a picture with me. Tune Selector.
Start the punishment.
I'm the legend of Sky Juice. See me as the general.
No freedom, no
biggest second I run. Sky Juice. Look at the big up. Father Paul, anyway.
Metro Media have the old dance like half them that laugh. So boy be careful how you even
Make it blast, big up.
Metro Media them no ramp for pop.
Yeah, tuna, yeah, tuna.
From a dub to a double motion.
Tuna.
Metro is a renegade, them can't afraid.
Sure,
and as a tomorrow them sharp on them.
Money.
I live and well mean.
Right.
So what you think, a friendly juggling?
Hey, make it
the
up.
sound killing here.
We made that England.
Just know that.
It's a Sky Juice juggling now. Archie dance one night, tell them.
70 days ago.
I'm alone to play sound. Me alone. Nobody know help me. Right.
When this dub explodes, now the sound goes missing.
Look at John, big up.
Another jump and come on. Make sure you get sound is reason.
Peter, look at John have a sound, right? Me romantic. I'm for a romantic. Go country, Jack Rubilan. And look at John sing for the sound. So me don't want that ratified broke. And the gate man, I run with the money, and the money jump on my foot. You hold back some money, Peter, ask Little John. You hold back some money. You take out back some money, put your hand on my shirt, hold on my shirt, and go to the runabout. And take a bus and head back at town. Look at him out, I look for him, they can't find me. Tell me there, with the promoter money, one back some money, then call. Ask Little John. Ask Little John.
Some kill it while I fail. Metro Media kill the one that they see the moonlight on the town.
Yeah, them tune there.
I'm getting ready.
Yeah, tune. When we run, it's something different.
Metro Media
playing. You don't tune in a long time.
Someone was dead and baby.
Oliver put on him Gideon boot my God. Soon boys get nervy.
Lucy again.
Glory, hallelujah.
Hey, Ninja King, yellow.
To the Most High God, hallowed be thy sound. King of kings of the dancehall, Metro Media rules and reigns. I ascribe to you dominion, power and grace. Through all the years and years to come, Metro Media runs. Yes, me again, as I listen Metro Media play. Bless them, Jah, pray. Let Metro Media lead the way. Bless them again, Jah. Let them kill another sound today. Bless them, Jah, pray. Let Metro Media lead.
Sister Dolly, my wife, big up, little girl.
So look around, dance halls today. Oh God, and you. Pharisees.
Ice combination to make it black and blue.
Yes, Sky Juice, I love you. You know, tell the people in California when the helicopter circle, I hold me here California and find a gun in the car. To me, I inform and I just say, officer, no my gun, you know. A promoter gun. You know, remember California the day?
Tell the people about one year, we are come from country, one morning, and we are with a job on the truck back. And I think, me tell about a long time, in the 80s, Peter Metro, as my best friend, plan it, and show me over the truck, so we stink, you.
In them time, I miss a green him name, man. I have to dash him another way. Yo, Drama, before I bring in the artist, them come talk something. I'm name MC Drama. So last God no scene. When the man say Drama, where I say?
Why, what a whole history and Sky Juice attack. But before Sky Juice, you know, tell the people them, when me and Derek and Fabi used to sit down under the Pansena tree at Santiago de Cuba, and here say, yellow man, I run Jamaica, and we say, we are go for that. The rest is history. Remember, you had the DJ of the decade. But big up Tiger, them and Admiral Bill, them and all of them. Now, Liquor John! Saturday night are your thing. And you know the one that hosted by MC Drama. Big up with him, I see you know. Big up who forget big up, doubts and everything. But with him, I go home tomorrow. Brazil. Anyway, we are promoting back live music in the city, people. Tomorrow night, we're upstairs, Juna Reid, live band. Liquor John, Jigsy King, Predator, Juna Cat, and Juna Reid himself. So tell the world, anyway, you're the Friday night in Kingston, and you want some live music, just go upstairs, Juna Reid, and Saturday the one that hosted by MC Drama. And remember, Liquor John show Saturday night hosted by MC Drama. Yeah. All right, and Juna Reid over Liquor John too. So MC Drama, we just put in the work, Metro. You understand me? We just work diligently. And remember again too, MC Drama run a radio too, you know. Every Tuesday night you can check me out run a nationwide, you know. Co-host with a youth named Rodney Campbell, Affairs of the Heart. So Metro, put things from people, youth.
Remember the bike them. See? Yeah, the bike them. When you can't get a bike for 200,000, 180, come in right in the office to the bike themselves. Watch you, come in, Mr. Silk. Yeah, man. Garnet Silk family there. Garnet Silk family there. Nicky Silk.
Yeah. Give us some more clarity upon that thing here. Yes, Rastafari. Garnet Silk couldn't make it. Big up my producer, Liquor John. Road manager, massive. Big up the people there. Cause I feel like Jamaica come back to one again. Oh God. King Haile Selassie. King Haile. He is Christ. Christ in his kingly character. Kingly character. Tell them. There is no other. There is no other. There is no other. So we're not good enough to marry your daughters. Oh no. Yes, thou so precious that you rape the mothers. I'm crying. Pull up that. Every Robert say, go on, Nicky Silk. Rastafari, oh God, hey Babylon be still, can't give I no feel. Wanna see I be killed, wanna see I be killed. Oh God, listen. Say we're not good enough to marry your daughters. Oh no, but yet they're precious that you break the matters. I'm crying. Lightning, brimstone, and fire for all you outlet vampire, vampire. The cry of my people is upon you. Hey Babylon, you're doing. Pull up that. I love the item. You know, far me I come from. We don't a country. Everyone love it, say go on, country man. Selassie, oh God. Oh Rastafari, oh God, listen to me. Born free, West Kingston, and free as the birds and the bees. Hey, and free as the birds and the bees. We're born free. Hey, that's the way Jah want us to be. Come on, say Christ in his kingly character. Christ in his kingly character. Tell them. Oh God, that's our request. Oh God, listen. Onward, Christian soldiers, marching on to war. Yeah. Onward, Christian soldiers, marching on to war. Hey, we not gonna look back at all as a soldier. We have to pull up down. Rastafari the Almighty. Quench shade. So my brother here, quench shade. Cause I ain't never seen this before. I ain't never seen this before. I ain't never seen this before. Never see so many people be down dancehall becoming. And to them it's a quench shade, never seen. And quench shade me come be nice of this thing. How do you mean? Oh, we feel the vibes is flowing right. Crowd the people I am tonight.
Run it again, family barbers. Big up for yourself for Canada. Quench you see you. How you go? You talk about what? What on Oliver? What on Echo Minott? Wait the little Echo Minott. Echo Minott, they all the way from Europe, fly nearly 10,000 miles come to Jamaica. But watch ya. Quench it. Sing again, man.
Hey, massive large of myself. Hey, little shot, big up. Yeah, famous large of myself. Hey, slang. Hey, I have been to places and seasons and places. Cause I wanna be free again. I've been to paradise cause I've never been to you. I'm a guy, hey lady, you lady, crazy. One more time. Big up this ranch. One more time. Oh, come in, thing. She looks down in her the big problem. Oh God, fallen ladies. Come on, enough empress there. Enough empress. Let me hear the empress that make us scream. Selassie, all the kingdom boss are shot. Selassie, watch out, for mama, watch out. She's so divine. She's so divine. Dirty womankind to be mine. Hey, mama, amiga, please never change. Cause your love is divine. You're so divine. You're the beat of my heart and the apple of my eye. And I tell you this all the time. I'm not trying to be rude. Girl, you put me in the mood. You're my little dove, and I can't live without your love. You 'cause I've been sent from above. You're the one for me to.
Every time that my phone ring, and the girls them want me sing, so I ask myself, why, oh, why, oh, why? Every time them hear me sing, gold bump always full them skin, so I ask myself, why, oh, why? Them sing, slide away, when she's style, slide away, biggie than wild, slide away, when versatile, slide away, make them cry, slide away.
Slide away. Pull up, boy, quit shade every time you touch it. Boy, you make a joyful noise unto the Lord. Yo, we get next Silky now. Silky D, hold on. Are you named Silky D? You not touch it yet. Come in.
Greetings. Big up Jigs the King 200 Curtis, O'Neal famous. Boy, oh, remember this? Check it out. Once upon a time, I almost lost my mind. I was lonely. I was lonely. Yes, once upon a time. Stop it again. So it's set. I travel all the way from Lindsay, come and so. Come all a vibe with the ones and ones. Saying, me all the ladies then. Oh, remember, I'm lying alone with my head on the phone, thinking of you till it hurts. I know you hurt too, but what else can we do? Tormented and torn apart. Oh well, I wish I could carry your smile in my heart at times when my life seems so low. It would make me believe what tomorrow could bring when today doesn't really know. Doesn't really know. I'm all out of love. I can't sing. Stop it again. Good job, one more. One more. Oi. Oh la la la. Cha la 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 la. Love we are dealing with. Watch it. Peace and blessing manifest with every lesson learned. And if your knowledge were your wealth, then it will be well earned. If we were made in His image, then call us by our name. Most intellects do not believe in God. We bring them down to shame. Oh, on and on, on and on. The cycle keep on moving like a rolling stone. Hey, on and on, on and on. All night until the break of dawn. I was born on the water with $6.03. Yeah, you may ask, cause I did not do your math. Boom! Space! On the girls, lying in my bed alone when I hear a voice and think of you. Kind of in circles, the confusion was nothing new. And you say, go slow, but the fall behind. If you lost again, look and you'll find me. Time after time.
Pull it up, boy, quench your body out of this world. All right, may I tell Witty? Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Europe, this brother fly over 10,000 miles because himself, Peter Metro, original dancehall rubber dub, are the biggest thing in Europe. Biggest thing. So guess what? Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to bring on stage, no found no seen for about 15, 20 years, all the way from Europe. Welcome on stage, Mr. Echo. Read him up. Echo, Minott.
Why not? Run it. Cause we don't have time for waste. How far I come from, you know. Look at John, big up yourself, in general. See? All my people them in France are what you don't know. Big up. Run it.
ting, biddly kitty ting. Boy, biddly ting. Me have a tiny girl and the color tingling. Me tick time for DJ, tick time for sing. Me next year me gold chain and me gold ring. We buy a big mansion and fly go bill. We have a supermarket up a Brooklyn. We have a big house up a Sligoville. Biddly kitty ting, biddly kitty. Boy, biddly kitty. Real. Shame with him, don't ramp with me. Get out.
Well, stop that. Echo, who was the only singer were you afraid of in the 80s?
I didn't afraid of you. You was my...
How much time me kill you?
I know how much time you kill me, how much itch me have.
So what are they? You can't buy it. Look at you.
Give me my mic and don't ramp with me. Run it. I'm a farmer man. Why you? I'm doing some farming in the country, in the hills of St. Mary. The plants. June. I wish we have it. Hear this now. It's again. Boom. Wally patting away me discover since me go in America. Wally patting away me discover since me go in America. Papa 42nd Street you have the most pimper. Girl at 12 year old a baby father. Them have Sensimania and the Buddha. The Buddha with a come from Colombia. Sensimania a come from Jamaica. We have PMP and we have the Labour. We have the Spangler and we have the Shower. In a New York, no gunshot fire. This is Uncle Sam.
Look, and the people are more here sing. Echo, don't run enough. Don't run. People, remember that one, yeah? That's why me sing, say what you say and do what you're doing. Cause I've got, sing out no money can, because crowd of people. I cannot sing. I love this hill. Echo, where are they? Don't run it.
I am up it. The saddest day of my life is when I lost my 2 kids and wife. They were burning flames. Pull up. We ain't the one that touch me thing and my thing. Remember that. We ain't wonder. Saddest day of my life when she left me with a broken heart. She would feel my song, but him go on me and try to go on the thing, but he don't know original. See, run it. Next. I one with him. Little John. You remember this? I'm a first big song this. As far as my eyes can see, there is a lot of love problems that oh yeah, no. Echo Minott. Boom. As far as my eyes can see, hey, there is a lot of love problems hanging over me. Hey, the girls don't have no pity on me. Why, but my girlfriend is so jealous to see. Hey, that girl, she cares for me. Yeah, that girl says she loves me madly. You gone? But when I wanna get my freedom, why, when I'm gonna get my freedom, why, because I don't want to be lonesome, why, because I don't want to be lonesome. Boy, say Lord, but the mama over me, boy. But the mama over me, Monkey lotion to over me. I when they see me, cause them a rush me. Only if I go to hospital for me. Only if I get tab up for me. My girlfriend is so jealous, you see. My girlfriend is so jealous, you see, Lord. Oh, the mama over me, hey boy. Oh, the mama over me. Give them in a rubber up style. Give them. Hey, come on and say you wicked and wild. You keep in a dance and you want it for ram. Send me money straight to Western Union. If I no MoneyGram, that must be PayPal. If I no PayPal, that must be IBAN. And when it starts here, I will be there for you. Then I up your dance and not to party. Tell them me come and not in enough style. Par with me and you will see. A lot of me the button in the 80. None of them couldn't touch me style. I tell them me come and not your style it while. Me in the business from I was a child. Yeah, what we do? Give them. Look at John, we are happy. New tune. Sure. Somebody told me there be trouble at home. You hear that? Ow. Bow. Being around the world and I can't find my baby. Ow. Sure. Somebody told me there been trouble at home. We never talk a lot when we spend time alone. Hey, how am I supposed to know when something is wrong? Cause you got the right to communicate. It keeps a better home. And those that like me, and no one have the kind of whip appeal on me. Keep on repeat on me. Ow. Work it on me. Whip all the sweet, sweet loving on me. Keep on. Work it on me. Ow. Whip all the sweet, sweet loving on me. Why, no one does it like me. No. Being around the world and I can't find my baby. I don't know when, I don't know why, I don't know when, I don't know why. I don't know. It's them long. Me and my girl was fighting, it happened severe misunderstanding. I accidentally thumped her in her face black and blue. She run go to the police station, we go tell the tale. No girl after me feed and me clothe you, gave you everything. Me and my girl was fighting, it happened to be a misunderstanding. I accidentally thumped her in the face black and blue. To run go to the police station, we go tell the tale. Yo, girl after me feed and me clothe you, give you everything you want to comfort you. Leave the house, can go look money for me and you. When me come back, you go with white group. Poof. I and the black and blue. Don't go to the police, go tell them for two. But what they? Ask you if you love me, you say I do. Leave the baby gone out in a night too. And for me, me a pet and a screw. When you leave me, I don't know what to do. I do anything just to comfort you. I always make you happy, I will never make you blue. But what the hell? Pull up! It's after loving day, come and touch me thing. The whole Jamaica. I follow me. Me. At the music of the year 1986 with this are the biggest something. 3 months number one. NFAP, that mean not fit for airplay.
Love in the air, touch it. Watch your part 2 now. Me and my girlfriend make up back again, and I will never ever make it happen again. All the try, them try. Biddly pitting, biddly pitting, biddly pit. Mosquito 1 and mosquito 2. Mosquito pitch pa at Calalo. 2 will have data. 22, 21 and 21 data. 42, 41 and 41 data. 82, 51 and 51 data. 102. Think about police and them sing it too. Me and me girl make up back with you. Me and me girl make up back with you. Hey, go down a Manuel Road, girl and boy, we go broke Rockstone. Go down a Manuel Road, girl and boy, Sky Juice. PDP broke them 1 by 1. We a go broke them 2 by 2. I go broke them 3 by 3. And we a broke them 4 by 4. Whoa, finger match no ball. Hey, come on, at him, I am your dancehall. Finger match no ball. Hey, come on, at him, I am your dancehall. All of the entertainer gone on tour. Leave a come on, not feel every the school. All the girls, them a knock up me door. Why you me sing them more and more? Me a go sing them more and more. Bye-bye.
Hey, what? Pull up, hey, Echo, you mad? You go with Sparta, you don't sing this a big song, yeah? Come here, yo!
No lazy, but
Easy up. Remember now, boy. They come by now, me and Peter, me can claw England in them. Every show to all. But Echo, you might laugh about that. Echo, you remember take me guy? England. Yeah, come by now, come on tour England, you know. Then you hear this, you know. And the man take me guy, you know. Echo.
no lazy body. No lazy body. No lazy body. No lazy body. Me no want no lazy body, no lazy body, no lazy body. Lazy body, no lazy body, no lazy body. No lazy body. No lazy body. No lazy body. Me no want no lazy body, no lazy body, no lazy body. Lazy body, no lazy body, no lazy body. Can't take the girl them way asleep on me. Can't take the girl them way have dropsy. Any girl me love them happy. Wake up in the morning. Round the table prepare breakfast see me. 12 o'clock me sell lunch on the spot. 3 o'clock come now. 7 o'clock, me say that also bad. Me no want no lazy body, me no want no lazy body. You think of that? Pull up, pull up, pull up. You want your part 2? Watch it. Healthy body. Healthy body. Budu, budu. I've got Department A, Department B, D, C, and D. Department A, Department B, D, C, and D. Because healthy body, me have a healthy body. Healthy body, me have a healthy body. Wake up in the morning very early. Wake up in the morning around 6:30. Wake up in the morning, take 50 push-up. 350 pounds when me lift up. This up hot tea, they catch up my stomach. This up hot tea. They catch up Mr. Mock. I've got Department A, Department B, D, C, and D. Department A, Department B, D, C, and D. Cause it brrrr. The first me I get money pull up. Thank you, brother. Am I one? Me have a healthy body. Healthy body. A healthy body. Got a healthy body. Yeah. Got Department A, Department B, D, C, and D.
But me Eddie, but me the C and D because healthy body, me have a healthy body. Healthy body, me have a healthy body. Wake up in the morning, me say very early. Wake up in the morning around 6:30. Wake up in the morning, take 50 push-up. 350 pound away me lift up. Drink some hot tea, to catch up my stomach. Drink some hot tea, to catch up my stomach. I've got the barman A, the barman B, the C and D. Barman A, the barman B, the C and D because healthy body, me have a healthy body. Healthy body, me have a healthy body. Whoa, look at that. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Now some man this time, some man that time. Why if you know the time come on, I'm love girl down, I'm love them black, I'm love them team, I'm love them fat. This step forward, no come them not turn back. Some man.
Where you go echo mine and you think you can't trick me? Where you go? I hear a big tune on this rhythm here. When bash up the word echo.
Hear this. This is the original fat thing. Fatty. This is the original fat thing. And I'm a fat thing, under me fat thing. And I'm a big thing, under me big thing. And I'm a fat thing, under me fat thing. And I'm a big thing under me. Just the other night me go metro party. But me out and girl them call me Lee. She said to me long time she no see me. Hold me round me neck and hold me tightly. Kiss on me neck and she give me icky. Massage me chest and massage me belly. And echo you like it. Brrr. I'm the only one that sing and slinting with him 2 times for the King Jammies. You know that? Earn it, 1985. Whoa, hey. Whoa, hey. Put the one on the key, put the one on the key, put the one on the key for me. Put the one.
Yo, voila, echo, voila. Echo. Original Rubber Dub Thursday. Original Dancehall Thursday. You have to done that tune, yeah. I know say you're tired. That Europe you come from. I know it going on. See it echo.
11 hours flight, 11 hours plus delay in Santo Domingo. But anyway, I saw the thing go. Who the on the Minott echo? Oh, hey. Put the one on the key, put the one on the key, put the one on the key for me. Put the one on the key, put the one on the key, put the one on the key for me. Put the one on the key, put the one on the key, and then you mix me. Put the one on the key, put the one on the key, and then you mix. Oliver, touch up the key like a touching titty. Touch up the key like a touching titty. Teach me, I go teach them. One me, I go one them all about me style. Echo Minott in a category. 1 Mr. 2, echo that are you. 3 Mr. 4, me I go shut me door. 5 Mr. 6, them I go pick up 6. 7 Mr. 8, lay them straight. 9 Mr. 10, tell your friend. Echo Minott, me come again. Yeah. Adi, oh. Adi, oh. It is echo. I got to rock you so. Bye-bye.
Why? Rubber Dub Thursday, original dancehall. It's nice, man. God Almighty. Allow me to tell you witty there. Them man, they are general in the business. Not for the song them we not dance to. Witty produce them, not for them rhythm there. Why Witty, when I say you lift up your glass, you must know. You get the feeling of nostalgia. Don't it? Nostalgia. That nostalgic feeling. Big up all the people who love Rubber Dub Thursday, original dancehall Thursday. But guess what now, people? You see, we have a final in a DJ contest where at 20, only, how much you say I give you? 20 or 40,000. I last week this. So 3 artists to come on stage. I want you to tell me, saying, Tall Boss, saying, come in now. 3 young artists.
Come up here now. Say, where you going? I know you say you walk, man. Say, I jump. And easy, man. Yo, remember the bike, them they have your money, just come buy a bike for the Christmas. See, Bridging, the rhythm here, you know what name? It name the Icon Rhythm. It show enough artists already. Seeing enough man there, one girl to see me. Tall boss, you want peace side. Saying, so you want our people, more I want to judge it, you know. You ready? Give me the Icon Rhythm. Play it, make them hear first. Yo, play it on here, vibes up. Our platform, the people them love it and them start send money for giveaway. See? So, and next week at the final, right? So, listen to the rhythm. This are the Icon Rhythm, listen. Watch me now. If you know love fun on the body, see, you can't miss it. Yo, me I go see who the rhythm I go dash way. Whoa! Magalina say, respect to all that they DJ, they in them pass. We are jump and rhythm and show boy, so we not them class. Hey! You ready? You ready? You ready? No, you're gonna final already, you know. Yo, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Now, Una go tell me who win. Saying, what a brother, you look rich. A real money them there. Anyway, ready? Walk up on it first. Alright. DJ Vice, take it here, man.
Yeah, man. I give it to me, you know. I have a smoke it up, you know, right? Yo. Alright. Yeah. Oh, yo. Oh, the way done so fast, oh, the way done so fast. Me want I get that champagne in a me glass. Oh, the way done so fast, oh, the way done so fast. Want I get that champagne in a me glass. We no be run out, we no be done out. We no fi come out from out of me mouth. We da fi go out, we da fi come out. Tell farmer man say the way no fi out. Oh the way done so fast, oh the way done so fast. Why I create a champagne in a me glass. Oh the way done so fast, oh the way done so fast.
Whoa! You girt it. How next? You there? All right.
Anywhere. You don't know it's a Mitcha, Peter Mitcha. What me say? Anyway, all the people them, you don't know say you there. Watch your style now. This is what me witness. Say I be full of fitness. I be a bad artist, the inner the hit list. Do the thing turn up so loud. Peter Mitcha, till it all stop bust the cloud. This is what me witness. Say I be full of fitness. I be a bad artist, the inner the hit list. Do the thing turn up so loud. Isa, anywhere we go we draw crowd. Forget to eat you off, fit you off, feel it. Every morning me get to my brain tick. Then me run go roll a fresh. Me say quick. Me no let me do my tick. You think some man a lunatic. Every time me tear it, bust it goes so pam. Me no care. Yeah. It's amazing.
God Almighty, the man them learn the rhythm. Man them learn the rhythm, man. Tall boss, take it away, Dada.
Taller than them. You know me I see farther than them. Level. You don't know I'm money where I work for. So me a chat a money, Sam. Turn it up little. Yo. Right now I'm money I dey pray. Money for me dogs, money for me family. Money enough like it grew up on trees. Step out and me she throw me the Benz key. Boat Royal, yeah, Lime Key. Morgan Zawa, drive out jet ski. Happy life me want live, be me own boss. Yeah, entrepreneur level. Me nav time for crosses and hold down. Money me a pre in abundance. Me want a bank account in a 6. One in a US, one in a London.
Can't make the youth them send me a papa. Hustle with every muscle, nothing me no shatter. Sky juice make them know we no papa. Yo, yeah, you me rebel here. Dollar, dollar, dollar sign. Dollar, dollar, dollar sign, yeah. Dollar, dollar, dollar sign. Dollar sign to everything else me blind, yo. If you're not talk money, me no want hear nothing. Mama want taller than them.
Why tall man, you take long for boss the place. Jono, where you say you want Gertie to? Alright. Gertie then, no?
Alright. How this love weed? So weed. I wanna know, you know. Just there over here. Father knows, ganja, high level. More weed, ganja dip in again, he's again. More weed, plus about and then I spit again. More weed, Jackie get me cocky tip again. Now she get it, now me get the tip again. Alright, more weed.
The cocky thing there, no, night. See? Dash away.
But that Jackie get the cocky stick.
Man said Jackie get the cocky. Anyway, watch ya. You see that youth here? A two man I forgot go on next week, fine, I don't know. I between you and him, you know, but the people them I forgot tell me. Saying, how you want to give them a next run? Cause him bust the place. Yeah, they bust the give him one more run there. One more run. One more run, teach them. One more. That's a 2 year, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I need your advice. You know we need it. I wish time now, you know. Yo, hey, what? Rich situation. We want money to go build up the nation. We want money to change the situation. We want money to come out of supervision. I mean, I tell them it's more motivation. More money in a portion. More money to go up and feel ocean. We want money to go fly across the ocean. Broke life, just come out of me life. Rich life, no one married to me wife. No one a name, broke life.
People, I'm going to tell her who win. You next.
Now all the girls them from me know say you don't have a high self-esteem about yourself. More of me soon to put up on the hand and on the ear, sir. Cause you see when me come around and see the sexy girl them, you know what I have to say to them, say girl. Sure, for you a two man, you know you're born lucky. You have what it takes, so you're more than what it is. Spend it and don't need me say all of the money make me walk barefoot all when the time sunny. See me a woman, you don't have to worry. Tell them to go, get it.
Whoa. People have to go work a man in God Almighty. My kitchen. Big up yourself, my kitchen, all the way from England. Well, we not do it like the fraud clash them. And the people are the judge. Costa Rica, South America. Wanna see where I go on. Europe, England. Come up here, son of man, who hide for. One I wanna go on a final next week for 20,000. I only say I put 10 on it. Well, people, all who say, other youth you take it. Let me hear you now. No, sir. All who say, other youth you take it. Let me hear you now. Yeah, you. Touch him now, man. Yeah, man, I just saw it go. Yeah, you're going to final, man. Next week are the big thing. See? Well, yeah, stay and learn the rhythm. Yo! See? No. Female artist, I'm going to give you a piece side. Bad artist, come here now, man. You feel like you angle a rhythm, yeah? Yeah. All right, put things on them.
Yo, hold on there, man. Boy, you ramp the thing, you know. Oh, you have to do that?
No, hold on.
You can't ask me.
No, a wrong thing, me say. Because you're a bad artist. But you see that rhythm there? I just a competition rhythm for them youth. They're saying? So Oliver got tune up back now and a peer rhythm now. Right back. How you do, Oliver? See? You know, say. All right. Too loose, brother. Yeah, too loose, brother. Singer DJ. Boy, come. Yo, yeah, brother. Why?
Toulouse, come mix your brother, you know. Come mix your brother, Toulouse. Hey, Mikey Blacks, are you make with there, so you know? Rubber Dub Thursday, ladies and gentlemen, why we are here at Rebel T HQ, all courtesy of Mikey Blacks, England. Big up Mikey Blacks, big up the whole of Saxon family them. Large up, Dero. You say I bring money come at Jamaica and the people them a wait for you know. If you come buy out the bar and bring Saxon come here, we don't hear nothing from you. Seen? Muslet, tell Dero say send in the money or him come in with it. Seen? So you hear me now? Toulouse, you gonna mix your brother, right? All right. Hold on the Toulouse. If your brother now shoot over the fence, we are show him. I run up the man like Bill. Make sure, you know. Saying, where you have line up there? Oliver, security, a car, block the entrance next door. Anyway, remember the bike them I sell, just bring 20,000, hear me, bring 200,000, 20,000 discount and you get a bike. Saying, hold on, Toulouse, brother. Try Bronx, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Mr. Bronx, take peace out here, man.
Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Big up yourself, teach them and reach them. O'Neill, famous, large. All of the veterans them in the place. Big up yourself, Little John, I don't know the thing go. Easy Emmanuel Stain, Samocha, you're there. I'm going to big up my family, big up me and to a fly down to come visit me. Yeah. Play it now, I could sing something on it like that way, yeah. Level me. No drink from them, no cure me thirsty. From your youth, them a try to hurt me. Wish for me dead before me 30. Jah bless me, them can curse me. Hear me no Percy. Heart bitter like Cersei. You should have dead long time. A true master, God have mercy. But I know nyama them yard. Them treat people like dog. I me no crazy for them, give me no pork gravy. Don't run John no yard. No, so them come and a sabotage. Everything me try, them fight me hard, yeah. Me know the friends them from the fort. Cause no for them a camouflage. But Jah never left me out. Whenever I'm in doubt, Jah me never step without. Jah never pull you up, pull you up, pull you up. Easy Manuel Stain. Samocha large. And play me low. Them hurt me heart, me no have no more left inside. Me avoid people so me no too socialize. Ganja calm me nerves anytime me paranoid. Cause them will watch you take your last breath. Sacrifice, try no mark for it. Cause them a go 1 to 3 points. Before me come me bed, me pray to the Most High. Me no trust no carry pull up and door start to fly. Reply, with the walking stick close by cause me can't put me to Play it again there. Yeah, you know the carry them over there so for move. No. The carry them over. Just like how him do that. Easy Samuja. Emmanuel Stain. Tell the carman that's what me say. Too much boom and rum driver dep on the road. Bus man you see the bus overload. Too much boom and rum driver dep on the road. Taxi man a broke the road code. When all them is a driver, me no love how you a drive. And me no run no joke with me life. But even though you are my friend for life, nobody run no joke with me wife. Me tell me wife how much me love her for life, but no run no joke with no knife. And then anybody me no trust in the day, me nah run no joke at night. Cause a killing take me things and no runny. And no joke me a go and back me money. Therefore there no go down no smelly. Cause me no run joke with me, and me no run certain no joke. Woman gone and me gone with no rope. You mad? Cause me no run certain no manners and blessings.
Yeah, Mr. Bronx, pull up. This is what the people them waiting for. Toulouse, brother. Toulouse, brother. Say, no, man, we shan't say your talk, but work on this. Toulouse, brother. Come on.
Lord of mercy. Also big up my brother, see.
Hold on. Security say, please, The man them park the vehicle them over there, so move it now. Pull it up and come again. To Lucy, brother.
I may assure you, so this one dedicate all ganja man said. May I assure you. Lord have mercy. Me love me like me sensimania. Me love me like me ganja. Me love me like me sensimania. Me love that me say that in a whistle. Me cut it up fine, put it in a chalwa. But yes, I miss a Pablo say me in the area. Me under me road, under me culture. Me focus. Yo! Billy sample. Pablo rocking on your area. Hear this. When love come knocking at your door, you better be very sure that you're ready, steady. Sing love come knocking at your door. You better be very sure that you're ready, steady. No I wanna for the money and a two for the show. She to get her ready and I just for to go. Tell them Mr. Pablo, so me tell them what me say. Me name in a Spanish say they call it Pablo. Peter in a Spanish say they say that Pedro. Tell them Mr. Pablo come fi tell the women. Pablo Rocky make you bad so what me say? Bad already, me say me bad already. Me big, me bad, me know me work hard. Me big, me bad, me know me work hard. Me bend down for me knee and me pray unto God. Me give all of the love when me really hard. God you up on the cross just me you and fi I. You know Rastafari, me not tell a lot. May I show you, dreadlocks, boom.
Toulouse, brother. What your name? Pablo, what? Pablo Paul. Otherwise known as Toulouse, brother. Yeah, bad. Keep it going. Keep me, I know. Your time, Phoebe.
Yes, sirree. Music Town Entertainment, big up. I shall sing my song, be it right, be it wrong, in the night. Yeah! Yes, sir, more reggae music right here at Dancehall Thursday. Yeah! Chemical is here to rock your world. And we keeping it real. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Sing my song, be it right, be it wrong, in the night, in the day, any hour, anyway. Oh, I shall sing. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. As long as I live, I shall sing, I shall sing. As long as I live, and as long as I live, I shall sing. A little big side. Well, in my days I've been many places, seen many faces. Too late to turn back now. If I do, just strike me down. Yes, I've got places to go and a lot of things to do. If you think I'd give it up now, as long as I live. Na, 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 na. Yeah, man. One more on it there. One more on it. The original. Gear up is. One more. Can I get one more? This is the original Black Woman's Glory. Yeah, man. Keep it going on all digital platforms. You can check me out. Hear this. Black Woman's Glory, righteous story. Life we bring up strongly. Take out Black Woman's Glory. Black Woman's Glory, how we rock steady. Hey, hey, take out Black Woman's Glory. Our woman's glory, that's what they want to take from me. And deep inside will never hide the black story of the daughters of Judah seen in their glory. Once so strong they thought was wrong, telling a Nancy story. Look on the dancers in the dance, and then our glory was always young but only earned that way mama energy. Yo, notice we not rich, we working money, we united while we king man church this glory. Shook, shake, earthquake, for the one with earth we know partiality. For the wicked where we see one dirty hard working woman with the black story. Hey, hey, take no Black Woman's glory. Yeah, man. Thank you.
I love how you maneuver the mic, boy. I love it. So, I like John. No, man. No, man. You have it, sister. Well, me gonna bring in the next female artist. Eileen. Nop Charlie. Go, Nop Charlie.
I found out what I've been missing. Always on the run. I've been looking for someone. Big up Peter Metro, Alabash, Large, Bridget Rubin. Big up yourself. I found out what I've been missing. Always on the run. I've been looking for someone. Now you're here and you've been before, and you know just what I need. It took some time for me to see that you give good love to me, baby. So good, take this heart of mine into your hands. You give good love to me. Never, never too much. Baby, you give good love. Yeah. Ever since you went away, every day is just a cloudy day. And I don't know if it's rain from the sky or tears from my eyes falling down my face.
You see that youth here? Hold on, them know Jaggedy. Him there from about 9 o'clock, I beg my peace. Metro, beg your peace. Where your name again? Skanka B. Come in at the camera and make the people let me see.
He goes say, hold the father, Metro. So that's say, hold it, my family. Hold it there. Hold it, my general. Yeah, man, because you have to give thanks to Jah, you know? And we can't give up in our life, don't it? Big up yourself, you know, O'Neal Famous and Pinky. Metro and the whole works, Japping us, Skanka B. And me I say, War Boss, Chai Bronx. We have to give thanks unto the Most High. Because without Jah, we are nothing. You hear me? Jah, save, hey. Make us for ya, save us now, Jah. Save them now, Jah. From our bloody vampire. Save us now, Jah. Save them now, Jah, Jah. From all iniquity walker. Save us now, Jah. Save them now, Jah. Babylon afflicts like flies and mosquito. Save us now, Jah. Save them now, Jah, Jah. And Babylon surrender. Long time we say wicked Babylon against. Long time we tell them to change them ways. Long time we tell them say Jah alone we praise. Long time we say, long time we say, long time we say Babylon a tell lie. Long time they golden truth them deny. Long time we tell them feel Selassie I make the world stop mourn and cry. Jah, save us now, Jah. Save them now, Jah. From all bloody vampire. Save us now, Jah. Save them now, Jah, Jah. From all iniquity walker. Save us now, Jah. Save them now, Jah. Babylon afflicts like flies and mosquito. Save us now. Level. Satan can't trick we. Satan is a liar and me know that for real. Wicked Babylon with bargain and deal. Look how much life them take, how much skin them peel. And of them a suffer them deal. And me they can't trick in a them business of them game. Babylon, me know say the truth a gonna make you shame. Almighty make me wild and can't tame. Dirty Babylon, won't forget the blame. So me saying, save us now, Jah. Save them now, Jah. I'm a bloody vampire. It goes so ya, Metro.
You see next week you come early. You can't DJ. No! Hold on now. I'll bring in an artist. I'm the Little John show, you know. What's your name again, my brethren? Isla Bash. Touch it, my brother. Ladies and gentlemen, all over Europe, this is Isla Bash.
Yeah. Run up here with him there, quick. Bushamai. Robot doctors, they look at you large up. First thing as them see me want to know where me from, them want come ask the Isle about some little stupid questions. Your name Jesus or your name Junior Gang? Micah dance if you stay long. Need no Ika mouse to come help sing the song. Bang! Giddy bang. Bang bang giddy bang bang giddy bang bang giddy bang. Bang giddy bang giddy bang. Bang! Giddy bang giddy bang. Bang bang giddy bang bang giddy bang. Whoa! Might be a brown man, me no come from Afghanistan. My way me turban don't think my man a Taliban. Think me head go value 25 million. Or a Joe Biden want fling bombs on Lebanon.
What's your name again? Hola. Are you your name Emmanuel Steen? What a South America, say what are them here? Emmanuel Steen, bad artist. Steen up the place.
Give thanks and praise. Original dancehall, we are passed through their humble and the whole of vibes. Like a child, pick up yourself, some much of my family. Let your rise and all enemies scatter. Alright, the one I name, and all the things that they might chat. What you know? They must take back that. The I see it. Hello, wish to see we flap. You must be mad. None of them can see that. But watch this. We never stop until we reach out to the top. Hard work and everything come back. Man, I will stay, you know you're solid as a rock. With the bop, Peter, make sure what we do. Movers in fence, now me put up wall. You see the plaza, man, I come from stall. If you see the tears, no say a joy. Alright, say we work hard to achieve this. No one beyond swam the sweetness. They no like a blessing, it a cheat me. It's a lucky thing, they never know me weakness. Can't see lie, just see lie. Never make the wicked them exalt themselves over I would. Can't see lie, just see lie. May your goodness and mercy. Alright, follow I. All the days of my life, boy. Boom. Me say them never know we journey. When man a dilly and a dally and a turny. Yeah, street knowledge you don't know me learn it. Them no see me till me or earn it. Me not take spoon, take it up and shovel that shit where. You must see mad. Man work too hard for wet them have. No, you know, and that. Alright, go tell them I no fear of them. I me no scare of them. And just be wary of them. The eagle and the dragon and the bear of them. Prepare for them. Every year for them. Give it clear to them. If any pork and Babylon too dear for them. First me tell them say fi loop before you leave your car. Plant corn and a piece of one for you forget. What you want to, you know you got to seek, I got to get ready and go burn up the street, man of ya. Right for the man of ya, work for the week it will be. Weeping and moaning and gnashing of teeth. I look and see say no for them start to get weak, go wow. Down to the down pressure of life and should not do it on body. Things when are good for them to eat or sell cheap and poison yourself by eating raw meat, you should not do it. Punk out yourself and touch friends. Rastafari, alright. Tell them I no fear of them, and me no scare of them. What on, let me see it. One more time, General. My name is Emmanuel Steen. Who don't know me, know me now. Give me a come up on the mic. Look up on the monitor, Dada. Alright. Any weapon that rise up against I. Oh, now we fail. And it's like this for them I go and wait. They that can't prevail. So then I go see where you suffer. No days of me life, no, none of them can't see I a jail boy. Shoulda know say, and them outside me praise boy. Rastafari me, then get that done back blow. Boy, the wicked I get that done back blow. Whoa, boy. Yeah, and it's like this where them a go and wait. Them shoulda know culture. Get that done back blow. Boy, they wanna get that done back blow. Whoa. Alright then. 10,000 of them rise up against I, but me stick them below. Alright then, see them getting themselves together, but them want condemn the innocent blood. Okay, hey, who they love? No one they love, and not tell me about love. Them outside clean, but them inside dirty like a mud. Alright, and me don't see them out. Where them have well was scrub. Hey Peter Metro, then get a turn back blow. Whoa, the wicked I get a turn back blow. Hey, turn back blow. Hey, the wicked I get a turn back. I want you to play for the radio. Wait name. Girl, Jaja knows that me love ya. Put no one above ya. G1 Gyre, just you beside me. I ask for nothing more. You really feel my world, girl. Give me a mix. Alright, it's like me life complete, yo. 7 days of the week now. Hopefully in the street, yo. Stay in your well unique, yo. Up firm on my feet now. Me say me blind now we see it now. I put a smile on me cheek, yo. Hey, no other love come. Alright, girl. Hey, Jackson, know say me love you. Original dancehall Thursday. Give a thanks, people.
Why? Wallet. You're a bad artist, you know. Bad. When me say bad, we have to book you. I don't want you come when, we have to book you, man. You're a bad artist. Mr. Flavor. You see the artist here? Mr. Flavor. Let me tell you something. England, Canada, Europe is an artist where every week him come here and him always try to deliver. I know my love with him. Him brave. See, so here a youth like this with a powerful heart, you always come in, brethren, and try to deliver. Mr. Flavor, put things back.
You make sure, so me I say. Dancehall Thursday. I'm Mr. Flavor with the Flavor. Tell ya. And just the herb alone. Well, me say strictly herb alone can calm down Mr. Flavor. Nerves are just the herb alone. Well, herb. Well, me say positive vibes, you let me meds. Hey, herb. The way me love you could never love another you.
Whoa. I make some Flavor that, you know. Always try to deliver. And him deliver. Selassie God know. And the final artist, listen to people. I know said you turn the final, see, but guess what? I can't remember your name. Ababash. See, Ababash, you see next week. Hey, I want you to drop a bomb in here and eat the water of the food. Ababash.
Gosh, them, you know. Thunder, roll, lightning, flashing back to my soul. It's Ababash, you know. And I have one wish, you know. And for all I'm on them, you know, we're about sitting, you know. You see me? You see them do a thing with the taxi man, them with you, you know. And this is my wish. Amnesty if you gonna go scrap them. I want your car gonna see and go dump them. Nobody feel like a joke or a fun them. Cause when gun in a hand them a problem. Amnesty if you gonna go scrap them. I want your car gonna see and go dump them. Nobody feel like a joke or a fun them. Cause when gun in a hand them a alright. Well stop bus gun. Bun me a bun gun. Good future me want you free from gun. I'm free from the bomb them we boom people down. A mechanic, scientist scrap them down. Go burn where fi burn and go dump where fi dump. Go recycle some, bury some underground. You have less people a dead panjagung. Have a bash rise and a beat the kettle Johnson. Amnesty fi gonna go scrap them. Car gonna go and go dump them. Nobody feel like a joke or a fun them. Stop bus gun, burn me a bun gun. Good future we want, free from gun. And free from the bomb them we boom people down. A mechanic, scientist scrap them down. Go burn we fi burn and go dump we fi dump. Go recycle some and bury some and
Come cross east. Go. Some boy I buy gun, but me prefer buy girl. Run down gun, but me run down woman. I'm a people where you kill. Go, sir. Tell you them some cool up the gun thing. So much gun crime in Jamaica. Go, sir. Hey, China. Go, sir. What is it? Tell you them cool up the gun thing. Some boy I buy gun, but me prefer buy girl. Run down gun, but me run down woman. I'm a people where you kill. I'm a girl we have, and I'm a baby I go bill. Pussy hold them a rise AK. And last night me sleep with Anarchy. Yo, them can't give me no Glock 40. Cause tonight me and me girl them a be party. And them can't give me no Bushmaster. Me prefer search through the bush, go find Marcia. And me don't want no 16 shooter. Then I prefer if you give me Del Cita. Say me no want not a Sherman. Cougar, forget a girl. Like Cougar. Search it. What is some youth with the gun thing, God? Someone climbing like Jamaica, man. I mean, I say it again. Go, sir. Some boy I buy gun, but me prefer buy girl. Run down gun, but me run down woman. My people where you kill. I'm a girl we have, and now my baby I go bill. Cause you hold them a rise AK. And last night me sleep with Anarchy. Look out, them can't give no Glock 40. Cause tonight me and me girl them a be party. And they can't give me no Bushmaster. Me prefer search through the bush, go find Marcia. And me don't want no 16 shooter. Then I prefer if you give me Del Cita. Then me no want not a German Logan. Me forget a girl. We're ugly like Cougar. So boy I run down 9mm. Me prefer run down Shelly and Fraser. And catch her up on the 100 meter. Whoa!
Why? That's part of the show, you're nice.
Big up yourself, Father Metro.
Well, people, it was a pleasure being here. A pleasure to all the people around the world who is watching. This is the end of the show. Thank you very much. South America, England, London, the Caribbean, thank you very much. I hope tonight you enjoy experience. We are Rubber Dub Thursday, Original Dancehall Thursday. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure.
Big up yourself, Father Metro. Long live Oliver, Sky Joes, run this special.
All right.
Emperor Selassie, our guide
Big up everybody all over the world, you know. 2019.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.